streaming. Okay. And we are live. And we are live. Are you live? Are you live? Hello?
Hello!
I thought you died already.
No, I had to do like the little intro too.
Alright, you did the intro.
God.
You did the intro. You had me. You fooled me. Alright, where are you?
I fooled you.
You're not live yet. I mean, not you're not live yet. Look at Mr. Villager in your house. I see him.
Oh gosh. With the new texture pack, it looks pretty awesome, the houses.
Which texture pack do you have, by the way? Ah, the medieval one something, is it?
Yeah.
I used to have that back in the day, but I was getting confused as to some what was what basically. I was getting confused, and I don't like getting confused. My favorite texture pack is the one that was made by, I don't know if you know who he is, Ant Venom, that YouTuber.
Oh, Ant Venom or just Venom?
Ant Venom. Ant Venom.
Oh, Ant Venom. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God, there you are. Why are you destroying like the farm?
Destroying the farm.
Well, it looks like you were destroying the farm in my eyes. Oh, Buggy!
What? Hang on, let me just take care of this zombie. Okay.
Yeah, take care of the zombies and grunting noises.
Yes. Hey, bare bones. I can't see your... Oh, no, that's true. You are right. You can't see the game. Why is that? Why did it freeze? Hold on. I'm going to fix that real quick. Hold on. Why is this happening? It's true. Hold on. It's stuck on... I just realized it's stuck on the... Why did it do that? That is not good. Okay, let's try now. That is strange. You are right, bare bones. You are very right. I don't know why, though. It's stuck on that screen. Why the heck did it stuck? Alright, so... you know what I'm gonna do? Cancel. Boom. That's so strange. Properties. Thought I was going crazy. No, you can hear it though, right? That's so strange. That's okay. That's okay. I can fix it. Let me try. I have another window, secondary window. Let me fix this one perhaps. Still though, I don't know why it's... you can hear. I don't know why... Even this one though. Come back to Minecraft, bare bones. Come back to Minecraft. I don't get it. It says... No, please don't do this to me, OBS. I just started streaming. What if I change? No, though. I don't want to change. Hold on. Let me just... remove. Yes. What can you do? Window capture. Remove. Yes. Add. Window, right? Window capture. Okay. It's funny because it just shows shows. Let's try again. Capture cursor, no, cancel. And that's strange. It's only showing the... No man, why you do this? God dang it! Why is it doing that? It's like it's stuck on the main screen, but it's... Alright, maybe I restart the game, I don't know. Maybe I can restart the game. Okay, let me try restarting the game. Disconnect. Close everything down. Try opening it again. Sorry about this. Hold on. Play? And this is very strange. No, it just shows my desktop. Why is it not working? Ah, man, I hate you, OBS. I hate you more than I hate... I don't know. Whatever. It's not working. It just shows my desktop now. Why you do that? Maybe I can try something else. Let me see. Remove. Yes. Alright, I think we got this. I think we got this. If I can do it one way, I'll do it the other. No, no. There you go. It's funny how things work out. But I had to do another way around. But it still works at least. I think Nikki abandoned me already.
Maybe.
Oh man, I was scared. No game, no Nikki.
No game.
Where are you?
Oh, I was in my house.
All right. Ooh, a window's broken here. I don't know if it was broken before, but
Which window? Window.
one of the old.
Oh, I think maybe. Were you up on top or whatnot?
No, I was just not on top right now. Not just now. Did you find the gift that I left you? Yes, you did.
Yes, I did.
I'm back. All right.
Thank you.
So. By the way, thank you, Barebones, for the feedback. It's a good thing, because otherwise I would have streamed 3 hours of the title screen. Oh, man. All right, so, Nikki, I have 2 adventures in mind. You can choose one, all right? I finished draining the... What's it called? The temple. I drained it completely.
Okay.
So we can start taking that one down, all right? We can either do that, or, since we got a map from this guy, we also have another Woodlands mansion to explore. So you choose, really. You get to choose your adventure. Indeed. In the meantime, I'm just gonna snoop around your house. Jump on your bed.
Woodland adventure or something very easy we can collect treasure.
What?
Well, it's already drained, so it's like.
Yeah, it's it's drained. But keep in mind, I drained the whole thing. But inside the actual temple, there's water again. So it's not gonna be that, piece of cake, basically.
Okay, let's try that one.
Right.
And then we can hopefully do a Woodlands mansion too on our way.
Sure. Sure. We can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna go get geared up real quick, and I'll be right back.
I was about to say get geared up because we got geared up.
I'm gonna get geared up. Only got $20 in my pocket. What? Wait, what?
Since when do you listen to that?
I'm sorry.
Oh dear gosh.
Praise the Lord, the Wi-Fi's back. Your Wi-Fi's back. It feels
Praise
so
the Lord,
good,
the
V4.
Wi-Fi's back. What?
No, it's V4.
Oh.
It's V4's way of saying hello, basically. Welcome back.
Ah! Hi, V4!
Stupid OBS, why you no work, Trollface? Good one. Why you no work? Okay, so while I was busy struggling, you were having a laugh at my expense. I see how it is. Alright, I'm gonna take this one down. Then I'm gonna open up my stash. There we go. It's me, Mario. I'm gonna
Oh god, you don't know how badly I miss this.
Yeah, you missed me.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna change my. You know what? I afford to make decent equipment rather than just wearing gear that's almost worn out. And
that's what I was gonna do. I'm just like, oh, I guess maybe I can actually.
I can afford decent gear. Come on, buddy. Look at this. Look at all this diamond. You know, I'm gonna make it of diamond though.
You and your diamond.
I'm gonna make it of.
I mean, I stick with iron, so.
I'm gonna make Iron Man.
Iron's awesome.
Is this an island map? I don't know. I mean, just randomly generated it. Barebones just randomly generated. I don't know. I don't know if it's an island, whatever, but it's not custom. Just randomly generated. Nick, oh, happy Star Wars Day. What? It's not Star Wars Day. Star Wars Day is the May the 4th.
Yeah.
It's not May the 5th, and it's not May the 3rd. It's May
the 4th be with you.
May the 4th be with you. Alright,
Hey,
saying to
Nick.
the fact that today releases the movie. If you're talking about the movie, I've watched it 3 days ago already. I went to the premiere. It was so awesome. I went to the premiere. I loved it. It's a good movie. Personally, I think this is episode 8, right? Yes. No. 7, 8. Yeah. Episode 8. December December 15th be with you. Episode 8, I think it's better than the 7th, I think, personally. I wouldn't go as far as saying it's the best Star Wars movie ever, like IGN said, but it is good. It is good. I think it's one of the best. I liked it. I really did. It has everything in it. Everything a Star Wars fan would want and love. You know what? We need some dirt. Do you have some dirt? Or if you have some
I
sand,
have
it would be
dirt,
better.
sand, everything.
You're gonna see it tonight. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You are gonna love it. I'm telling you.
Hey, Phantom! Let's see.
Does it have John Cena?
We need... Oh.
It does actually have John Cena, yes.
What
It has nudity as well.
applications?
It has, what else can I say it has? No, but it's really good. It's really, really good.
Oh, there's the dirt. Okay. So I'll grab about 2 stacks? Or 3?
What? Of sand?
Dirt. Do you want sand?
Yeah, dirt. Well, I mean, ideally, sand is better, I think. I think sand would be
Okay,
better.
so we'll do sand.
I think sand would be better. A stack it would be enough. This is just if we enter certain rooms and we need to like drain them with sand, we can do it real quick, you know, with sand.
Okay, so I'll bring 2 each, just in case.
Yeah. Get empty slots with you as well because we're gonna loot some stuff.
Already did.
Treasure. Get some empty slots. And I still need to go a bit deeper because I drained the whole thing, but I think I still need to mine a few more levels now to create the. I'm gonna create an awesome. What's it called?
Oh.
What's it called? Create a farm, the Guardian farm. It's gonna be amazing. 3 and 5 were your favorites. I really liked Rogue One as well. I really liked Rogue One.
Ew!
What? Ew.
Seriously? You liked Rogue One?
Yeah, I liked episode. I liked Rogue One. Why not? Nobody liked Rogue One? Am I the only one that liked Rogue One? Please keep making them Disney. I like
Yes.
I liked Rogue One.
I don't know, it wasn't what I was expecting, it was just too blah. You know? It wasn't that exciting. Didn't catch my attention at all.
I was like... I liked it. I mean, not anyway, but...
Yeah, no.
Same.
No. We still love you, though.
I went to see the premiere. It was awesome. It was really good. I'm not gonna spoil anything. Don't worry. Must resist. Must resist. Where are you? Are you still getting ready? Are you still getting dressed? Are you still putting your pants on?
Wouldn't you like to know?
So what's the Star
Wars
thing
I'm
talking
just
about?
done.
It's nothing. It's just this indie movie, low budget indie movie.
All right, I'm good.
They hope to be big someday, you know. So look at this. Look at this.
Vloggy, stop talking about yourself like that.
So anyway,
Come here. Sand. Here.
Yes, please give me the sand.
1 sand and 2 sands, just in case.
Yes, thank you.
2 stacks.
Oh, yes.
Turn around.
Okay, so what I was thinking, somebody asked me about what I'm building. Basically, what I'm building, I'll show you. I'll show you basically because sometimes in Minecraft they generate certain temples underwater. And these temples are very, very dangerous. But if you manage to get inside them, there's some awesome loot. But there's also some terrible creatures. There's no way for me to do that. No, you know, you have to hold your breath and attack underwater. It's too complicated for me. So I drained the whole thing. It took forever, but I drained the whole thing. And I'm going to show you the progress. Where are my boats? I had boats here.
Freddy.
I'm sure
Oh, they're so cute. I like these llamas.
I'm sure I had boats somewhere. We're in Geshi's territory right now. Oh yes, boats
Yeah,
over here. Boats over here.
Okay. Sorry, Gashi. I'm not doing anything, I swear.
Bring it back. Bring it back. I forgot to put music on. What? Why did I forget to put music on? Hold on. That's not fair. Alright, now you just need potions. Yeah, but still, if I die and I leave my stuff like right there, it's
okay. I got a water potion. We're fine.
Okay, put some music on now. You still got potions? You are genius. Let's go.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go. Let me show you how this is done professionally, Bare Bones. How I drained the whole thing.
Professionally, yeah.
Forever. It took me forever. So much time. But I did most of it offline, really, because it was boring.
Yeah. And I gathered a lot of sand.
She gathered a lot of sand. But the sand, we will use it for the frame. As you can see, there's like a black wall over there. It's on 4 sides. There's like a square hole in there. I'm gonna show you. So we use the sand just for that, and then what I did is I had Frostwalker, so I started freezing the water, walk over it and freezing it, and then destroying it with a Silk Touch pickaxe, so it breaks. And I did that all the way down. Look at that. All the way down. Where is she? Ah, there she is, right behind me. Okay, I'm gonna take time.
Oh my god, I was about to drop down.
You see the effort. All right, Nikki left the game. Bye, have a great time. Ah, she's back. Welcome back.
Hey,
can you say something on Facebook? Something on Facebook. I think you'll find it funny. Yes, send me something on Facebook. Send me something on Facebook. So yeah, so although I reached the bottom, the end of the bottom of the temple, it actually spawned over a ravine. So the legs of the temple keep going all the way down to the bottom of the ravine.
oh my god. We are screwed.
Why would you say we're screwed? No, we're not gonna go in from here, but actually, let's take a look.
And no, I was just about to say because the blocks haven't registered yet, and so many of those guardian fishes are there. There's more than 15 to 20.
That's okay, that's okay. Let me come over this side real quick. I'm gonna show you something. The entrance is on this side. Now we can either do it like from over here, from the actual entrance. Careful, because there's like there's holes on the ground that actually drop to the ravine. So be very careful. I've explored down there already. I mined some diamonds down there already. But look at that. Look at that. Actually, I'm gonna collect this one. Oh, no. Just leave it here. So yeah, take a look at this. Take a look at this. It goes all the way down there. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so the legs keep going all the way down. But the actual ravine ends at this level basically. Actually, I mined one down, but I need to go a bit deeper down, further down for my farm that I haven't mined. I think it would have been easier to make potions. Really, well, I want to create a farm anyway, so I still have to drain this whole thing, you know? I still have to drain this whole thing because I'm gonna make an awesome farm. Alright, so anyway, the thing, now, we have a choice basically. We can either... Whoa, there's one over there. Help me please!
No, I'll just watch you die.
No.
Run!
He's gonna die, Don't worry about it. Don't worry, he's gonna fall off now. He's gonna fall.
Hope so.
Actually, no, the water just ends there. Alright, no problem. I'm gonna eat. Okay, this is just one, and it's not even his territory. He's kicking our ass. I'm gonna kill him.
He's kicking your booty, not mine. I'm just watching.
Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. Bye, have a great time.
You're so mean to him.
You fell down. Hold on. Keep pressing the freaking F.
That is a lot of stuff there.
Where is
Oh my gosh, he dropped... Was that sponge?
What? Where?
There's something that dropped down. I don't know, can you see that right there? This texture pack is a little bit off, but...
No, I don't see anything.
I don't know, it's like right there. There's stuff that's floating right there.
Well, how come I can't see that far? You know what? I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna check.
It's like right now. Yeah, okay, here we go. Keep going. Oh my god. Okay,
oh yes,
so after when
well,
you...
actually he dropped some prismarine, some crystals and some prismarine stuff.
Well,
but it wasn't.
Didn't you want the glass or something?
The what?
Didn't you want the glass? So you get to have those. Yeah.
Yeah,
I know you wanted to have the
want
glass.
Yes, I want that thing basically. So, and that's why I'm doing a farm, because I really want those lights. Those are really awesome lights. All right, so let's go.
Yeesh. All the way down?
I'm coming back. So what do you think? Do you think we should just start from... Whoa. Do you think we should start going from...
Oh my god, I see that.
Hold on, because I'm focusing on this right now.
Oh my god, I want to collect all that iron right there.
Collect it? Who's stopping you?
But it's like all the way down there.
Okay, we can go afterwards anyway. Do you want to go from the top and start
Mining down is the safest, yeah.
Is there a guardian as soon as I get up here? No, there isn't. Okay, poof. Alright, so we can go from the top. We start mining from the top then?
Yeah, why not? Oh, hey, there's a slime!
That means, I've mined to slime level, basically. Hey, Freddy Fut's on! I still remember the beginning of the world. I know, right? No, not from there, not from there! Not from there! What are you doing? From the top, from the top, from the top!
I'm jumping down! Don't worry!
Destroy the temple.
Don't worry!
My precious.
You fail at it. No, Smeagol. But no, I had to, like, get up somehow.
Give us the precious. I cannot do it. I tried.
That was so bad.
No, you do it.
So bad. No, if I do it, then it's like my demonic voice.
Alright, so there's...
My precious.
there you go.
There you go.
There you go. Alright, so... Anyway, to answer Freddy's question, where are you?
Right behind you.
Oh.
Turn around.
Mine. Every now and then I feel I get a little bit better.
You feel? Alright.
But you know what? I'm surprised you know these songs. Why do you know... Burp. Why do you know these songs? It's not fair.
How do I not know these songs? Oh my god.
From the 80s.
You do realize that my mom, like, ever since I was in my mom's stomach, she played music like that.
And now you memorize them. They're good songs. They're good songs.
Yes, pretty much. I'm a 90s and 80s. Some 70s.
What?
Don't judge me!
Alright, so... Watch out, you're getting targeted!
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, when you get attacked, you have a man's voice. He goes, oh! Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna so enjoy this. So let's start from here.
Hey, Mohammed. Hey, Phantom.
Turn around right now. Oh, every now and then I fall apart. And I need you more tonight. And I need you more than ever. Maybe we should have a stream, like an 80s stream.
Yes!
Yeah, get ready for the stream to be claimed by copyright, but we should. Maybe New Year's, I don't know. Careful, because there's it's gone? Is it gone? There was one. And I think it's very useless of me bringing Flame Aspect to this fight.
Okay, I see him. Whoa, holla.
Holla. I think it's useless that I brought Flame Aspect with me, but whatever. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Where'd you go?
Ow. He smacked me.
That's why he's not attacking me. He's after you. Where is he?
Yeah, I don't mind.
There you go. Sucker! This guy doesn't have thorns though, because I'm not getting damaged back. Die! Alright.
Oh, you're definitely gonna love the lights. All of the lights!
Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drown this area with sand, so that we can... Oh, I should have made this a
Yep,
shovel.
no problem.
I'm so stupid. I should have made a shovel. Alright, we need to mine all this.
Ready.
Okay, let's mine this first. Let's open it up.
Well, now we can.
Ah, she has an amazing voice, this singer. I love her. Ooh, so many lights! I see them now. Ooh.
I know, that's why I'm letting you get them.
Kalala. Alright. I mean, it doesn't matter who gets them really, because what I have in mind is I'm gonna have a farm and I'm gonna have unlimited supply of these things, so...
Well...
And what I want to use them for mostly is, you know, how we're reshaping the island, basically, the city, making it pretty and stuff. It's for the lights. Right now we have glowstone, but I don't think it looks as pretty as this.
Glowstone? No.
So it's gonna look much prettier. Now, the thing is, this is just like glowstone though. When you claim it with your pickaxe, it's gonna break into smaller pieces, which then you can...
Did you get your fortune pickaxe?
I got my silk touch, so we can actually break the whole thing right away.
Okay. Good.
So yeah. Whoa, there's another one. Careful, there's another one.
Burning one.
Burning one. So, exactly, burning one. What's burning? What is burning? I would like to know and help.
His mad skills on digital art.
What's burning exactly? Is it like some sort of a body hole?
Body hole? What are you?
Sort of a body hole? You know.
Oh my gosh.
You know, certain holes sometimes burning sensation. Alright, so I'm gonna have to mind this now again.
Conversation. And usually I'm the one that does the dirty, funny jokes, and I'm just sitting there like, yeah, I'll be a good girl for change.
But I want to help. I want to help.
Go ahead. Do you need a shovel?
It's not about the shovel actually, there's way too much water here. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but...
Magic.
It's gonna take a while.
I still love you, Nikki. Nobody here! Like, I remember back when I was, like, really young, I used to listen to a lot of, like, Heart and Madonna and all that. It was just awkward. I question myself every day about that.
So
what are you doing?
So how have you been, Nikki? What was your life like without me?
Quiet. No, I'm kidding.
You say it was miserable.
It was quiet. I honestly admit that.
Oh, nice. Alright, so,
yeah.
I need to clear this up because it's not, there's the water here, sorry. I'm making
Do you need
messes.
sand?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, look in your inventory.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. But yeah, I mean, it was good. A lot of stuff has happened, but I really missed Minecraft playing with you, you know, all that.
Yeah, the server had to go down, but it's fixed now. It's all good.
That's so pretty. Oh my god.
Feel free to mine anything, but I mean, the lanterns. I have a pickaxe of silk touch, so don't touch those.
You get the lanterns because that's your thing.
You can destroy anything you want.
I just want the really pretty blocks that are right here.
Which blocks?
They're pretty. These ones.
You can have whatever you want. You can have whatever you want.
Oh. That's on
Because
deck.
I super
Drunk, no ice. Oh, speaking of that, I have to tell you after, but you know our favorite song. I replaced it.
Our favorite song.
You know, oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
It cannot be replaced. It's very hard to replace a song. It's very hard, but
yes.
Sure, why not?
Well, I basically did something with that song, let's just say that.
Oh no, you remixed it.
No, no, that I can never remix. No, no.
What did you do? I want to know now.
No,
I want to know what love is.
I want you to show me.
It's so weird that you know these songs.
Yes, these
Alright, let's see if I can do this. 1, 2.
Okay,
can you do this? Can you do this jump from here? 1, 2.
Yes.
Yeah, you think you could, but I don't think you can.
Ah! Vloggy, you bumped me! Go ahead. Go ahead.
Come on, go do it.
Oh, you just fall down. What the heck?
Hold on, let me try. Yes!
What the heck?
Sucker!
Oh, shit. Okay. We got this.
You know you don't got this.
Wait.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Sheesh, you're so mean. Yeah! Oh, I bumped up. There, I got it. Oh,
I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
I got it.
No.
I completed the task.
There's a more water. More water. Okay, good. It's
Ooh, there's a lot of lights down here. I can already see them.
Alright, once we drain the whole thing, we can actually... Well, actually...
These are so pretty. I love these too. Oh my goodness, I want them. I think I should have brought more sand.
No, I think I'll have enough. I think it's enough. I think. Because we're reclaiming it anyway, so...
Ah! Ah! Okay!
What?
Ah!
Why did you mine that block? We're not done with this level yet. We're not done with this level yet. Let's clean up this part first.
I accidentally did it.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do more sand so we drain the whole thing, and then you can just go ahead and dry it up.
Dry it up,
Oh wow, okay, I just realized something here.
What? Yeah, no, that big hole right there?
Yeah, I'm gonna fix that with some dirt. Hold on.
Yeah, I was about to say, don't we have dirt? Yes. Now I'll just fill it up here.
I closed it.
You fixed it!
I make a fix.
Accidentally my butt, Nikki.
Disco, good.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe I missed that too. I was so upset.
What? You missed what?
Movie time!
Oh, you never joined me for my movies. I'm like, oh, maybe she's too good for our movies, you know.
Yes, I'm so too good for that. No. It's like,
she's not coming. It's not bad. We have the same flavor. Alright. Let's... What?
Yes, I want the same flavor. Tell me what's your flavor. Tell me what's your flavor.
Just go find somewhere else.
No, this is mine.
Alright, let's see. Now the thing is, there's some edges around the edges that I haven't done yet, so there's gonna be some water on the sides coming out.
Yep, no problem.
So I have decided I'm going skiing in January. That's not my decision, really, but yeah, I'm going skiing apparently.
Ooh, I want to know now.
Yeah, I'm gonna vlog. I'm gonna vlog so much stuff.
Seriously?
It's
been a while.
I'm gonna vlog. Yeah. Well, I mean, since last time I vlogged, I'm not even really doing it as a thing, really. I miss vlogging every week, but it's hard. It's hard because I need to find interesting things that happen to me every week and make video about them, then edit. And some of them I second guess. Like, I don't think this was gonna be good enough. You know, sometimes I document something and then I'm like, I don't know, this doesn't look. this is not as exciting as I thought it was. So I end up without footage for the week. It's a lot of stress, really. So then I decided to vlog only when I travel. And back in the day, well, not back in the day, but I used to vlog a lot. I used to travel a lot, mostly because I was, you know, I had friends abroad, so I was going abroad all the time. Really.
Are you trying to say you have no friends now?
No. I broke up with my friends. No, as in some sort of a relationship, basically. And I should have made a shovel. Why? Should I go up and make a shovel real quick? I think it's gonna make things so much easier. Alright, so hold on. Do you have sand? You have some sand, yes? So if you wanna fix some certain areas, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go.
Yep, no problem.
The workbench is just over there, so I'm gonna go up the dirt. So yeah, as I was saying, you know, I was in dating, so I was going abroad often, but now I'm not as often. Ouch. Alright, I'm gonna make you a shovel.
Thank you.
And then last time I vlogged was when I went to Camino. That was fun. The Thailand was fun. I go there every year.
You go there every year?
Yeah.
Ooh. What about the one where you were like dancing? Was that like a work convention or something?
What? Where I was working? Where I was dancing?
You know, dancing the Gundam style.
No, that was a work. That was a work thing. That's a long time ago. I don't even work there anymore now.
No. Well, that was awesome. That was like my favorite.
Thank you.
You need to remake, like, you need to redance that. Nowhere Blind.
That song was my jam back in the day.
Well, oh my god, Vloggy, oh, you touch my tra-la-la dance.
No, that's too much.
Yes!
That's too much. That's too much. It's
no!
No.
That'd be awesome!
Out. I would love to make a Gunther video, like some sort of a parody.
That's what I mean!
I need women to do that. I cannot... it's not that I don't have women, I need women who are willing.
Get Pokemon stuffed animals there. You're good.
It's not gonna work.
Exactly.
I'm coming. I made 2 each. 2 shovels each.
Alright.
And guess what? They're iron. Iron.
Iron!
They are iron.
How dare you?
They are
waste
iron.
it. Iron.
How do I get up here? I forgot how to climb up.
Oh, but I pretty much almost finished it.
How do I get up? I forgot how I go up. From where do I go up?
You went up the front way, or the back way where there was water or something?
No, there's
One of them ways.
Oh, wait, no. There's no way. I don't know how I went in. How I went up, I mean.
I'm gonna behave.
Oh, behave.
But I can't, it's hard when you just like end sentences like this. It's so
I make it hard for you.
Yes, you make it very hard for me.
I'm back, and I have shovels. There you go. One for you, one for you. I threw them on the floor.
Ah! Did you do an iron or what?
What? Oh,
Did you make yours out of diamonds or what?
No, no, everybody iron. Equal opportunities.
Okay. I think you have one of my shovels, but I don't care.
What, me?
Yeah, you made 2 and 2. Yeah,
I picked up one again. I already picked it up. Hold on.
Yeah, I don't mind that.
I threw it back. I gave it back.
No! How dare you throw it?
Have to each. Alright, so where do we go from here? I think this is it. This is where we go in from now. This is the next destination. Hold on, let me just look around. Okay, yeah, we should have brought some respiration.
Is it far or what?
No, it's a small room, but it's a bit messy how to do it. But we're gonna have to. Okay, I'm gonna go in, and I'm gonna start. Alright, so...
Alright, here. Do you want to take the sand?
No, I have. So far, so good.
Okay.
Let's go.
I don't want to use the water breathing potion yet.
No, not yet. No.
I don't want to waste it.
I think it's gonna get more complicated than this.
Yeah, that's why.
Ugh. Alright. Taking some air.
Wonder if we should make like little air pockets.
Oh, we should. Usually that's done with fences, I think, hey? Alright, oh, I locked myself in. Alright, hold on. I'm back. Where are you?
Behind you.
I'm just doing the thing. We should have done that, actually, yes.
That's what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna make like small little entryways, like little blow blocks, so this way you can easily just come up and get some air. I'm not thinking today. Nikki hasn't had coffee yet.
Why not?
Yes, I don't know. I was like, everything's gonna be fine, and then I was like too excited to stream with you.
But I wanted to make sure that you're up before I messaged you.
Oh yeah, I get up at like friggin', what is it? 7 o'clock a.m. my time, or it's like 6. So
Whoopsie!
I'm always up there.
Careful now. Careful, because I'm exposing the water.
Oh yeah, I know.
Man, this is awesome rock here, huh? I love this block.
I know, that's why I'm like, oh, gosh.
Ow, I fell again. Nice.
Did you know that they're making the new mobs? They want to do like a dolphin or something, or a zombie wolf. Ugh. So mad at that.
No, there's no zombie wolf. There's no such thing.
Yeah, there was like a little zombie wolf.
Where?
Yeah, it was like a big, huge picture. It was either like a dolphin, some other thing, and like a zombie wolf or something.
Dolphin is a real thing, but I've never seen. I mean, I follow Minecraft news like religiously, but I've never...
Yeah, and that's why I was like, what? Someone gave me a link to that, so...
But is it legit?
Fishy. I think so, because it brought me to the Minecraft site.
Alright, so, where's the fishy? Oh,
fishy there.
Okay, good. Disco, good. I'm gonna suffocate this son of a biscuit. Come over here. Ah, it went over there now. No. They're fast.
Come on. I think you went on the opposite way, maybe?
No, there was a hole. You went through it. Or it. I said he.
Oh. But how are you, by the way? Like, enough talking about me. What about you?
I'm good. Good.
You've been like a little bit off lately. I was like, what the heck? Normally you message me.
I've been off.
But then again, too, is it?
Like, something was off about me. Like what? What do you mean by
Hopefully
off?
everything's okay.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I don't know what you meant by off. Like off as in offline.
No, like usually, you know, you're all cheerful lady.
No, I'm good. Really?
Yeah.
I'm good.
I don't know, maybe it's just me, but yeah, he's lying. Vloggy thoughts. What?
What? Wait, what? Say what?
Is that you, Vloggy? Because there's like
What?
an account that says Vloggy's thought on there.
No. Nope.
Oh.
No, that's not.
Okay. I don't know. He's lying? I don't know.
There we go. Drained.
Oh yes. We're getting there. Slowly.
Slowly but surely. Yeah, we're going down.
Yeah.
Giggity. But it's happening.
It's a happening.
It's happening.
It's getting there. It's getting big. It's gonna get harder later.
Yes.
Yeah. Usually you laugh at that. What is up with you?
No.
Smile.
No, I'm thinking. We need to get sponges. That's what I'm thinking right now. That's. Hey, Emily. Welcome. Hello. How are you? Nice to see you. And all that stuff.
What did you do?
I opened here. We need to go through here now, huh? Alright, hold on. Oh, come on, man. Get in there. Giggity.
Can't get in a big hole, clearly.
Giggity is strong with this. Hold on.
Giggity is strong with this.
Hold on. What's over here?
Okay. I'm in.
We're not done here. There's more water here. I don't know why we didn't mind this. Hold on. There's more here.
Oh, I think it's because we didn't have that much sand and the fish was there, I think.
Let's suffocate fishes.
Yeah, that's true. Well, Bonham, that's why you're a moderator, so if anything gets out of hand, you can just big on him.
Boom, 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 boom. There we go.
Careful.
It's a good thing there's light here, because I can see underwater. I can see what I'm doing.
Yeah, I can honestly. Well, I don't know. I just can't wait to actually start decorating the whole island after.
Hey, Toby! Hello! I'm suffocating. Alright, almost there. Yeah, this is gonna make some awesome blocks too. For the island, for decorating. And I'm looking forward to use these as light.
I can't wait to use these like little pebble pathways that's light blue. I want to add them to my house. Oh.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Gorgeous looking stuff.
I know. Instead of like normal gravel, this actually looks really great.
Wow, I'm out of sand. I think I do actually have more. Hold on. What am I saying? I have a stack. Why did you push me out of the current? So how are you, Toby? How are y'all? No. Hold on. Stay back. Stand back. Thank you for standing
Are you
back.
flying?
Because you're not, but okay, thank you. Alright. Oh, there's more water over here. What's this? What is this? What is this? Alright, this is coming over here. I hate current. It pushes me away. It acts like a conveyor belt. No! Good enough. I love this song. Ooh, why is there more water here? Why did I not suffocate it? You're not doing it properly.
No, something came up, so like the screen, so I didn't want to die. And I thought it was you that came popping out. Oh. Kind of scary.
What? I don't get it.
Well, it's weird because the exact same person that has like your little image, yeah,
okay.
has the name, and it's like, whoa.
Oh, keep getting in front of me.
Oh, it's okay. Don't worry. It's okay if you hit me. I'll consider it love taps.
Love tap.
Yes, love taps.
All right, so
give me some love.
Give you some love.
Yes.
I'll give you some love. Oh yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna do that manly, sexy voice. Oh yeah.
No, that was manly.
It's not who I am. I have to revert to my me voice again.
Are you sure? There you go.
I think we need to start. We can't explore the rooms. I don't think we're gonna be able to start exploring the rooms by suffocating everything. I think we're gonna have to start destroying everything. From top to bottom. Yes, let's just do that because it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
Okay.
So let's start destroying everything. If you're free to destroy anything you want really, but if you wanna take a pass on the light blocks, I'll do them with the silk touch. So
you're gonna be taking the light things.
all right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's just destroy everything from top to bottom because navigating the rooms, I'm gonna get drowned and it's gonna be hard to drain it. It's just gonna be impossible.
Yeah, no problem.
First time that I heard Vloggy was scary. What? The first time that I heard Vloggy was scary. Why scary? My voice is funny. It's funny sounding.
It's not funny sounding. Like, it's a nice accent. I like your accent.
Alright, I leave that to you. In the meantime, I'll start over here. Now for these.
Where are you gonna suffocate?
Yes. There we go.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm scared.
I'm gonna cook fish. Alright, so I'm gonna go around and mining the... Because it still makes the breaking sound, the breaking thing sound.
Yeah.
But
that's I'm like, oh my goodness.
I actually get the whole thing. Now I'm gonna go place everything in the box up there because I'm getting full.
Yeah, no.
These are awesome light sources. I love them. All right, so I'm gonna go and be right back. Oh. I can't wait to build the Guardian farm. It's gonna be amazing.
Really? Well, okay. So I know you're gonna have like a never-ending like sponges, but I forget what sponges are for. That's the thing.
No, it's not for sponges actually. I don't think we're gonna get sponges actually. No, sponges that's the one thing I'm not gonna be able to get from the farm actually. No.
Really?
Yeah. What we're gonna get is the blue blocks, the prism rings, all that, the shards, and all that stuff.
Oh, okay. Well, that'll be interesting.
All the green blocks basically, or turquoise blocks, whatever. Wop. This is very wobbly, this music.
I honestly don't know.
I know. Only I can hear. It's good stuff, though. It's good stuff.
You have your twin on my side, Vloggy. Let's just say that. Your dirty side is on my side right now. Hey, Vamp! I don't know what's going on. I'm like so quiet today, and then it's like, I don't know.
Do you have food? Do you need to eat?
Oh, I have 18 things of food. I'm fine.
Good. I'm making my way back up. Making my way back up.
Walk as fast, Vloggy's gotta get to work. What was it? Oh yeah, Tom Cruise. What's Tom Cruise that did like is it with Tio, that buff guy? I don't know. Yeah. Well, guy from White Chicks. Can't think of his name.
But speaking of Tom Cruise, what I want to do is, you know that risky business dance he does?
Yes.
That's what I want to do. The no pants dance.
Oh yes, yes.
That's something I would consider doing.
Where he slides and you're like na 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 na. Oh yeah,
that's what I want to do.
I would still watch that.
I need to find a staircase that looks like it though.
Staircase? Well, usually he just slides right in.
Yeah, he slides down right underneath some staircase.
Well,
man, I just came down. I just came up and I left my. I broke my pickaxe. I'm so stupid. Oh, I have to go back.
Well, didn't you? Okay, well, don't you have the green screen that you bought or something, or no?
I still haven't built it yet. I bought the green screen, but I still haven't built it yet. I still haven't had time to make the build.
Nikki needs coffee. Yes, I need coffee. She needs her milk. But, yes. Oh, Haley?
Do you need a pickaxe while I'm up here?
May as well, just in case.
Actually, I'm not so sure if I have iron. Let's see.
Oh, dear. Don't have iron.
Yes, I do. Well, I think I'm gonna have to make it.
There should be iron in the chest.
Yes, but I have to smelt it. No, there it is. There's actually. What am I saying? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Shut up on him. But how are you, Vamp?
3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I made us 2 each.
Made 2 things of. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely a no-go right there. I think I should have brought definitely more sand.
No, don't worry. I think this new strategy of mining the surface, I think should be better. We'll see.
We're at that point where, you know, there's holes and stuff that you have to fill now. So it's kind of hard.
Yeah, but that's why we're like opening the hole wide, basically, because it's making it. Shut up! Stop laughing! Stop laughing! Stop
you missed it!
Let me give you your pickaxes. Hold on. 1, 2 pickaxes. Pickaxes. 2 pickaxes. Instead of pickaxes, I said pickaxes.
Oh yes. Ooh, you're making coffee? Can you make me some, V? Well, V. Yeah, actually V. I like V instead of Vamp. V just sounds pretty. Wouldn't be your first time.
What? No.
You don't know the joke? Okay, well, never mind. I'm not gonna say it. I'll send you the joke after. So this way you get it. See, look at here, Vloggy. Come here.
Whoa, hang on. What?
Right here.
That's
so
why,
mine down.
That's why we're widening the whole thing, because now there won't be any more rooms per se. You know, we're just mining everything. So we're gonna.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard too because it's like the blocks are gonna drop, and I don't want to waste blocks.
Nah, I think we got this. We just have to keep mining every level. Like,
I hope so.
Let's see. I think we're gonna be okay. We're gonna be just fine. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Beep, 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 beep.
I can call you Vampy? Alright, I'll call you Vampy. Vampy's awesome. But yes, Vloggy, thank you for getting all the server and all that. Oh, I missed it.
I missed it too. You're welcome.
I don't know, I just felt so incomplete. Incomplete!
I try. That's all I know.
That's pretty sad because I know the full song. I used to be a big, huge, like, NSYNC in Backstreet Boy. Yeah, we won't elaborate.
Good one.
Yeah. Yes, well, blame my sister. Yeah.
This is getting a bit annoying because of the water coming in and stuff. Maybe I should be wearing my... Where did I put them? I think they're in the box. Ugh, I don't feel like going up again. But...
Your ice shoes?
Yeah.
Those would be awesome.
So water wouldn't go through... Yeah, we should do that. I'm gonna go get them real quick. Sorry.
Yep. Oh, God.
Coming and going every single time. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. You can come and go as you please.
Okay. Alright, I'm coming. I'm going. I'm still going, actually.
Hurry up. Come faster. Gives Nikki a big ass cup of coffee.
Where did I put my... Oh, there they are. My frost walker.
Oh, yes. Oh, are you excited for the marathon?
What marathon?
The Biohazard Marathon
It's on,
that's
right?
happening.
It's already happening. It's already going on. You know that?
Oh, it's already happening?
Yes!
I'm sorry! The times, I swear, it's the times.
I will not believe you that you're excited now. I'm not gonna believe you that you're excited, because if you were, you would know the date. You would count down the days.
I did last time, but I'm not good. Like, because someone said, oh yeah, it's gonna be like 3 p.m. and I was like, okay, is that my time or your time? And then yeah, I just... Ah! Fudge!
Pudge.
Yeah. He love tapped me. Vlog is hilarious. Yes, vlog is hilarious.
Oh, I'm so hilarious. Sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night laughing because of something I said during the day. Like, I'm kidding. No.
I wouldn't kid because that's sometimes what I do. I laugh in my sleep for no dang reason.
No, this is me sleeping at night. Get giddy.
No comment.
Giggity.
Yeah, the ice does help, actually.
As long as it helps, I'll be more than happy to ice it up for you, baby. Ice, baby. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is... well, I mean, we need to put sand in now, I guess, because water's gonna start coming in.
Yep.
So we need to sand it up.
Sand it up. Sand it up. Spam on you, Nikki.
This is gonna take forever.
Spam on me!
I'm gonna melt it up. Oh, there's some guardians. Hello, guardians. Oh, crap, I walked on it. Oh, I have an idea, actually. I have an idea.
Can't you freeze them?
I have an awesome idea. Hold on. This is...
Oh, I think I may... I think trap them and then ice it. Oh my goodness.
I have a much better idea. No. I have a much better idea. Come over here. Whoa. Okay, fair enough. Come over here. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna change it to night. Time set night. Ugh. Look at this. Time set night. Okay, I'm gonna eat something real quick.
My name is Scrappy Coco.
Alright, so I'm gonna ice it up. Look at this tactic real quick. Ooh! Look at this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put... I hope it works though.
Nice. Okay, so it was kind of like what I was
need to predict how deep it's gonna be now. You stack up a few more on it.
I think it's probably gonna be like 3 blocks.
Yeah, so make it 3 blocks high. I hope it works now.
And then once it like defrosts. Yep.
Yeah, it falls. Yeah, I don't know.
Yep.
We need to test
I'm out of sand.
Hold on, I have a few more. Hold on, let's see. Let's see how this is gonna go. Let's just use one more level actually. Scrappy Coco.
Are you watching that or what? Oh yeah, you do all the work. I'll just sit here and watch.
Now I'm gonna change it today. Let's see if it works. Then stay back. I'm gonna change it today to see if it works. Time, set, day. Boom. Let's see. 1, 2. Yeah! Oh, okay, it's working. Kind of. Why is it not working all the way though? Is it working all the way?
Oh, because it was like 3 blocks. Yeah, so 3 to 4 blocks. 3 to 4 blocks, yes. Not bad. Okay, so now we know, right?
Alright, it worked. Oh, it's still melting actually. Boom. Ah, haha, nice.
Predictions. Ooh, yes. I would love some coffee, to be honest. Vamp. Ugh.
Alright, let's go.
Yes.
Oh, not all of it is melted actually. Hold on.
Did you kill the guardian, by the way?
No, but they're getting damaged because... Hold on. Give it a second, Because... It didn't work as much as I wanted it to, but... Whatever.
Hey, but at least...
Whoa.
You know.
Getting attacked. Where is
You okay?
Yeah. I just saw... The aim. Was being aimed at. That's okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna fill this up real quick.
Ow!
Scrappy Coco.
I am Vloggy's thought. I know everything that Vloggy is thinking. Everything? I don't know.
Who?
This is a fangirl, probably.
Fangirl? It's why I assume a girl.
Because.
You know what? I'm gonna see if I can... Hold on.
I don't know, it's just the way that she's typing or he's typing, but to me it just feels like a girl because the typing.
I still haven't figured out how we're gonna do this properly because it's
well, Vloggy's not really a boobs man, he's like a butt man.
No, actually, no.
I know. I wanted to... You're not supposed to answer!
Alright, so...
Tisk.
What if I just use the Silk Touch pickaxe? Hold on.
Vamp. That was a fail.
Not exactly.
Thinking ice blocks?
I'm breaking them because I have a Silk Touch pickaxe.
Yes, and then you're putting them... Yeah.
Whoops. Did you do that?
Mm-mm.
Alright, this is not gonna work. I don't know how we're gonna do this. We need all the sand. We don't have enough sand. How am I gonna do this? I'm open to suggestions.
You're open to suggestions. Alright, it's called Nikki Gets More Sand,
Yeah,
and she teleports back.
Yeah, I think that's the only way. I think that's the
I
only way.
told you.
I can't teleport you back though.
No, but I think I know the way.
Yeah, you can go and come back. And then I'll teleport you back. Or what we can do if you want a quick shortcut, you can just go leave your stuff in the chests up there. And then I'll kill you. You spawn at home right away.
Yeah, no, I have level.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if I was like level 1, I wouldn't mind, but come on, brah. Brah, no. Ah! Oh god. That's if I don't die before I get there, holy Jesus. Alright.
I watched some of the Biohazard TV stream.
You did?
This morning. It was my morning anyway.
Okay, now if I remember correctly, it's towards the chest, correct? Or the opposite way or something?
Yeah, it's the chest, and you're going straight from the chest basically, and you head to the mainland.
Okay, so I was right.
The mainland because, you know, it's an island, but...
Stop tripping! I can't help it! That's not my fault. I swear, I'm seeing coffee cups everywhere. Now, sometimes I hate the blocks. Ever since I added this new texture pack, it's been like loading the blocks slower.
Yeah. Somebody just subscribed and I didn't see who it was because my overlays. Hold on, let's just fix that. Vloggy, okay. GG. Okay, Vloggy's thought.
See? See? See?
I don't know.
I'll be back. Yeah. Alright. Definitely not gonna like this, but that's okay.
You know, YouTube shuts down these accounts. It's not even worth making them just for fun because, you know, time set.
But people still do though. So.
I guess. I'm gonna take off my shoes.
There's nothing better than boobs. Well, it depends. I don't know.
Whoa.
I'd say.
Ooh, looks like somebody's out of water. Or not. Are you?
Me?
No, not you. This guardian.
Oh. There we go. Okay. I had to switch back to the normal Minecraft, which I don't like. I think I went the wrong way.
Can I take these on?
Yes, you can take it on. You have the mad skills too.
Oh, they're coming from everywhere.
Oh, you probably opened up that big huge hatch that I saw. You prefer both? Wait, what's going? Wait, what?
Nice.
I think I went the wrong way. I think I did. There's a zombie right there.
Yeah, some of them have what's it called? I forgot what it's called. The thorns. So when you hit them, you get damaged anyway.
Oh.
It's not easy.
I remember when I was playing with Geshi, and he was like over at the temple, the ant temple, and I was like, "Which way do I go?" Like, I didn't know which way, and he's like, "Go this way." And he's like, "Here, get that way." And I don't know. It's yeah. I think I'm going the wrong way because
you just need to head from Geshi's house straight. Straight.
That's what I was doing, but then again, too, it's that my blocks are screwing up. Like, I don't know what's going on.
I can teleport you if you want as well.
No. I'm gonna try to figure it out myself, but these blocks. Vloggy's in a roll? Yeah, Vloggy's always on a roll.
On a roll? Why? What do you mean on a roll? I don't roll. I rock. Get it?
No, you rock the boat? Yes. Rock
Ooh,
the
there's
boat.
There's one. Come on. Yes! Nice! You're out of the water now, huh? They can still walk around though, huh? Ooh, she's still.
They can still walk around?
Still make. Yeah, she still made her way to some more water, to another body of water.
I'm like running into a whole bunch of boats. What is this? It's the island of lost boats. No word of a lie. I think I took a wrong turn, like completely. What is up with this?
Nice.
So I should have saw land by now.
I can teleport you anytime you want. You know what we haven't seen yet? The Elder Guardians.
The other guardian? There's other guardians?
The Elder Guardians, yeah, there's Guardians and then the Elder Guardians. It's like the stronger ones.
Well, yeah, I haven't seen it yet. But I'm kind of scared to now. I don't want to die.
That's why I wanted to drain the whole thing, because we get an advantage like this. It's easier.
I think we can do it, though.
Yeah, we are gonna do it. We are. Definitely. It's just our strategy. We need to rethink our strategy.
Well, the sand would be like our best thing. Like, I can grab... I have, I think, over, like, more than maybe 400 sand blocks. So... we can do that, but I think I only have a little bit. I think the rest I put in the donation chest box.
So you still haven't made it back home?
No! No! No, just look at the way I am right now. Like, my blocks are screwing up and I can't see anything at all.
Is it because of your internet connection, perhaps?
I don't know what's going on. Like, I keep changing everything and... Oh, I see a horsey! I think I'm home right now, okay. Yes! I'm home!
Nice!
We did it!
Nice.
I don't need your help! I feel so happy. I did something for a change.
You did something useful.
He's not dying it. I feel sad now. What is up with my blocks? Oh my goodness me. Come on. I feel naked without a texture pack right now. This feels weird.
I don't like texture packs. This is the only texture pack I'm okay with, kind of. The one I have, the Venom one. Because it's very similar to the original, basically.
Oh. Okay, so let me get some sand. Do we need some iron? Or no?
Walk around on the land. It's amazing.
Vloggy's at A.
Sorry, what did you say? Because I'm fighting the...
Oh, I said, do we need some iron?
No, not really. No, we're okay.
Okay, TP me.
Here we go. TP. NIKKI. VloggyBuddy.
Ah! Okay.
Welcome back. So, we need to...
Whoa.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. There's a douchebag here. I took off.
Taste my lightning, suckers! Can't say the other word. But... if you don't know what that is from, EXO, but seriously, that was from Tenacious D.
I know.
Oh my god. You have to watch that. Oh, do you need sand?
Yes, please.
Okay, come here. 1 stack, 2 stack,
1 stack,
3 stack.
I'm full. I need to get rid of stuff.
4 stack.
This. This. Wow, I'm full. I'm gonna throw away. I wanna throw away stuff.
He's so evil.
Who is me? What do I mean?
Oh, what's wrong, Games? Or, Phantom, what's wrong? Oh, I don't have rules or, like, that kind of stuff. Sorry.
Oh, we're gonna suffocate them now. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this.
Oh, they're mad, they're angry. Oh, God!
Whoop.
The fishy
This
guys!
looks like a fish out of water.
What the hell? Put it back! Get it! Kill it with fire!
This fish is on fire!
Oh, he's an angry fish.
Oh, he went into the water. Nice, rip. Ah, they drop fish! No wonder I keep finding myself with cooked fish. They drop fish. No, raw fish. They drop raw fish. I keep finding myself with fish. And cooked fish. Because they were on fire when I killed them, so they drop cooked fish. Interesting. Interesting. I'm coming back up because I had to jump down.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, games.
There's another one here. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god!
Watch out.
Ah!
Watch the out. Watch the out.
Achi, 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 mama. Mamacita.
They're fast.
What the heck? Yes, they want to come.
Suffocate them.
I've tried to suffocate them, but his evil eyes looking at me. He like eat them boobies.
He like you what?
He like eat them boobies.
Them boobies.
Yes, he like eat the boobies.
Okay. The moment I'm done with this patch, I'm gonna have a guardian or two pop out of the sand. Look.
Oh yeah, I have 2 on my end as well. Oh wait, I think he fluttered over in your end.
They could, yes. I think they have paths. They have paths over there.
Yeah, because he's not here anymore.
Oh, there he is. He's aiming at you. Careful.
It's okay. I'll keep him distracted then. Then you can just, you know, kill him.
When they come to the surface, they prevent me from placing the blocks. So, uh-oh, there's an enderman. Careful.
Oh no, it's okay, Van. I understand.
I'm gonna take it to morning.
This is definitely gonna take a while.
Not as long as it would have taken to... I think the hard part is over.
True.
The hard part is over. I drained this whole thing. You know, I have no idea. So this is actually fun because actually we get to loot and kill some stuff, so... There's an enderman around, careful.
What's going on, games? Oh, you can hear them. There.
I think they moved over to the other side or something. Okay, can we perhaps start? Let's get rid of all the water first. Do you have more sand? I have.
Oh, yeah. I have a lot, actually.
Yeah, let's drain
so I'll be able
first.
to do this. Okay. As long as you're fine, games.
Once we run out of sand, we can start mining up the area that we have already flooded now. I mean, drained.
Hey, boys. If you hear random meowing, I'm so. Oh my god, there's an enderman right behind me, isn't there?
Told you.
My kitty wants some love and attention.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh god, he's so hairy.
What, the Enderman?
No, I'm talking. No, mind. I'm talking about my kitty. No. Kitty, no. 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 Stop it. Just whatever we do, don't look at the Enderman. Hang on. Sorry about this.
Alright, so out of sand, I'm gonna start reclaiming it back with the...
Oh, I have a lot more sand if you need it.
Oh, it's fine. This needs to be done anyway, so...
Okay. What the heck? Vloggy.
What?
Not you, Vloggy. The wannabe Vloggy. Viewer discretion is advised. That's all I gotta say. What? What? I don't need to know about that. Exactly, Vampy. And besides, I don't think Vloggy likes that. Oh god! Okay, we got a guardian over here.
Hey, welcome! I know you messaged me back on Discord, but I haven't checked what you said last to me, so sorry. sorry.
He's not sorry.
I am sorry. I am more than sorry. I am... Hold on. Hi, Bork. Everybody calls Toby Bork. I love it. Oh, man. You made a name for yourself. So now we have cleared one level of this, so we can actually mine this. The purple.
Oh, yeah.
My goodness, green. Purple. Let's go with purple. Oh, man. Brain fart.
Why would you want to call it purple?
I don't know. Sometimes it does change the color to kind of purplish. This block changes color. Look.
I've never experienced that.
No, because nah, it does change color. It changes. The one with the pebble. The pebble texture actually changes color. It goes from
damn.
Green, it goes from green to kind of purplish.
That tongue action, though. Oh my god, okay. Image in my head. Okay, yeah. Nope. Yep. Nope. Oh god.
You know what that reminds me of? You know what that reminds me of?
I could just picture it, but yes, what does it remind you of?
Have you watched Ali G in the House? You must have.
Ali G in the House?
Ali G, come on. No,
not that I recall.
What?
Oh.
So you watched Don't Mess With Zohan and you haven't watched Ali G? Oh man.
Oh, is it like the one that has like the not Jennifer Anderson but the other girl? I watched the Love Guru, that's what I was thinking.
No, the Love Guru. Actually, the Love Guru I never watched, but I heard it was a flop.
Wow! Well, he has like a tongue motion thing that he's like...
Really?
Yes! That's what
Yes! No.
hey, Love Daddy, welcome to the stream! Vloggy run? Yeah, Vloggy might want to run. Because that... yeah, no.
Anyway, so Ali G is at a party, and they start offering, you know, these little, I don't know if you have them over there. They are like little, you know, at the party you get nibbles and stuff to eat on, and they had these little boats basically. They look like boats, and they are filled with stuff, usually fish stuff. Anyway, but I need to show you the video. I can't just describe it. I have to show you. Anyway.
Okay, show me the video.
I'll send you a video afterwards, though. I have to send you the video afterwards because we're working here. Okay, we're working here. This is.
Sorry. Freddy's like, we Maltese use our tongues wisely.
What?
Oh god, okay. Well, never mind. Wait, Freddy, you're Maltese? Is he?
Yes, Freddy is Maltese. Yes, Freddy is Maltese.
What?
Yes, he's from my country. He's Maltese as well.
And you didn't actually see him in real life? What the heck is wrong with you?
Why would I see him in real life?
Go visit him!
He doesn't need that. He doesn't need that.
Hey, Undertale! Undertale says hi, Vloggy, by the way.
Hello, Undertale. So I actually ended up checking Undertale to see what it's like, what it's all about, and apparently it got so much good reviews and everything. So much that I want to try it out now. I want to play Undertale. Apparently it's a good game. Apparently it's a GG.
Apparently? I'll have to see. What's going on? LOL, find a man who can not lick an ice cream. Okay, whoa, no. I'll let Vloggy lick the ice cream.
gonna have to show you this video.
Yeah. We're just gonna stop with the ice cream and the licking. We all know that he's good at that, and we're just gonna end it at that.
What? Stop! Stop!
It's the chin.
You don't know. You don't know nothing about anything.
You got that tongue muscle going now. You can lick a platypus.
I need to send you that clip right away. I need to send you this video that I'm talking about right away. You need to see this. You need to see this action.
Just the tip. If you don't know where that's from, Vloggy.
I don't. Hey,
Sausage Party.
You don't know. Oh, I've seen Sausage Party, but I don't remember it. I need to show you the allergy clip now. I have to do that. I have to do that now. I need to listen to your reaction.
Freddy, if like, oh gosh, I can just picture that too. One picking his nose.
What?
Well, Freddy was like, my country is so small. From here, I can see Vloggy's picking his nose.
It is small though. It is right. He's right.
Isn't it like on an island or something?
It is an island, yes. You can get from
Oh,
one side
okay.
to the other in a very, very short time. Oh, you're in for a surprise, Fishy. You're in for a surprise. Bye, have a great time. Oh, hello. Bye. Oh. Oh.
And then he dies all of a sudden.
Let's try again. Let's try again.
If you need more sand, I have some.
Why Trulandia isn't in ruins yet? What? No. Why would we destroy Trulandia? Well, I mean, right now it's in the desert, so it kind of looks like ruins anyway. But he wants me to build a home there, so I will do that eventually. I will build something over there.
Oh, I thought. Why would we destroy True? I thought it was like, yeah.
No, why would we do
Terracotta
that?
Island. That went. Yeah.
So, I need to send you that clip real quick. I need to send you that clip.
Yeah.
Are you on my chat right now or not? No,
I'm not
I'll send it to you on
in
Discord.
your chat right now. Yeah, send it on Discord.
I'll send it on Discord. Hold on. So, hold on. Hold on.
Really, love? Oh, there's animals everywhere? Oh, God. Sorry about that. Huh. Never knew that.
I don't even know what to look for.
Really, bruh?
I don't even know what to call it, what he does.
Just do tongue licking motion?
Let's see, tongue.
Or tongue movement?
No, it doesn't work with tongue.
It doesn't work with tongue, I'm pretty sure it does work with tongue, Vloggy.
Man, I cannot find it. No worries, no worries. I know. Hold on.
Oh, Vamp, if you don't mind me asking, where are you from? Hey, Wreck-It! Welcome to the stream! I always think of, like, Wreck-It Ralph every time I hear him.
Give me a sec.
Yes, Vloggy.
Man. Hold on. Is this the final scene? I think it is. Is it?
Maybe.
No, it's not. I cannot find it. I don't even know what to call it, what he does.
Vloggy! Run!
No, it's fine. We're safe. We're don't worry.
No, we're not! No, we're not! Vloggy!
That's okay. That's okay.
I don't eat fish! You go for it, Vloggy!
Oh, wow. He jumped into the water. It's what they all do, actually. Alright, never mind. Let me just keep looking for this. I need to find this. How do I find
No
it,
problem. No, you're not the only one, Undertale. So I bought Silent Hill? You bought Silent Hill? Really? PSN $3, 20 years late. Yeah. It had no sound? What do you mean it had no sound? Silent Hill? Is the game broken or just glitched? I feel so awkward. Are you okay, Vlog?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to find this scene. God, I can't find it. I don't even know what to look for because what he does is so weird.
Does he like sing a song going that one? Oh, you got family all over in the US? That's awesome.
Is this it? No, this is not it though. I give up. I'm gonna have to give it up.
Oh, it's okay. We'll look for it after. At least now I know that you're not mad at me. I could actually talk to you.
No. I'm so annoyed at myself. I don't even know what to call it because I don't know what the thing is. What it calls? Is it boat?
Oh.
One last try. Is it boat? Boat. No, never mind. Okay, I tried.
You love her?
So
what?
Okay, so it was okay. My shovel over here. Let's keep going.
So, Vloggy.
Yeah. Oh,
Freddy wants to know if you have a tiny if you have a tiny ball in your mouth.
Tiny ball.
Yes. He has like a tiny ball in his mouth or something. Wait, isn't it that? Oh, are you talking about that movie where he has like a bondage thing in his mouth?
Not ball, yeah, but the thing.
No, it's a bondage thing.
If he's talking about the allergy, the thing that he eats, it does have.
Yeah.
The thing he eats does have a little black grape, like a little ball. I don't know if that's what he's on about.
Oh,
That's what I mean. Yeah.
That escalated real quickly. You per love? Is that what it's called?
What?
Oh, okay. I'm reading this. I had to think for a second. Like, I'm a little bit behind in my chat, so I'm sorry, guys. Yes, Freddy? Oh, by the way, I have your nuggets.
My nuggets.
Yes, I have your golden nuggets.
You can keep my nuggets.
Oh, I can keep your nuggets? Okay.
You can take my nuggets. Take my nuggets.
I'd love to take your nuggets.
So now we can just go ahead and keep mining also the green stuff block things as
yes.
well. So,
this is definitely gonna take like hours just to do. No.
I'm full. Wait a sec.
You're full already?
What the heck?
Oh, hey, we're almost done actually.
Are we?
Yeah, come over here. You can see it, and then mining all the way down. So it's probably just like a normal mine shaft or something. Did I ever tell you the story here?
Oh, there you are.
No, you haven't actually, Love Daddy. I feel so bad now.
Vloggy, what were you trying to look? Maybe I can find it. You know that scene? You know that scene? Ali G's flirting with that girl at the party, and he grabs one of those things you eat, and he starts going.
Oh,
you know,
clams?
You know? No, it's not clams. No, it's not clams. It's something else. Anyway, he starts going, and then he goes. I don't even know what to call the act that he's doing. I don't even know what to call the food that he's eating. I don't even know what to look for anymore. But it's so funny.
Hey Vloggy, why don't you do the licking sound again?
No, I'll do it to you privately.
Hands on, eh? Alright, I don't mind that.
Tell me from it's Ali G in the house. It's called the movie's called Ali G in the house.
Okay, here. I will look for it. Because Ali G's in the house, right?
Ali G in the house.
Okay.
In the house. I honestly think that if I wasn't able to find it, I don't think you guys are gonna. But
I probably
it's nice to
would.
be proven wrong. It's nice to be for once. That cocky. I'm gonna have to go up real quick and put some stuff in the chest because I'm full.
Yeah, no problem. Let's see, YouTube.
I'm not even picking stuff up, you see? Oh, I'm so full.
It's...
Can I do this? Yes. Ali G, yeah, Jack. Have you ever seen that movie? It's like I'm the only person that's seen this movie. We still haven't found any sponges yet. Sponges are
okay. Is he like wearing a brown kind of like
no, he's wearing
a
green.
Christmas?
I know for sure that he's wearing green.
And it's called L-E-G.
Ali, L-A-L-I, Ali G.
Oh, Ali?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you said, okay.
No, Ali G. Hey, Dylan Balucci, welcome. Welcome to the stream.
Okay, Ali-G in the house.
We're playing some Minecraft and discussing Ali G in the house. A couple of times, I can't remember how it starts. He meets Borat just before that scene. He meets Borat just before that scene. He goes, "Yakshin Mash," and he tries to kiss him, and he goes, "Go away." Gonna throw this away.
Okay, because there's a car scene. Is he in the car or what?
No, he's at a party. And the waiter offers him something, and then he sees this girl.
Okay, so he's at a party. Okay.
Tries to impress her with his tongue skills, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
No, I tried all the keywords, like... Don't worry about it, we'll find it. You have an audience, they're waiting for you to play Minecraft.
Yeah, but I want to witness this tongue motion for myself. Damn!
Yeah, I'll find it eventually, I'll find it.
I'm deprived, okay? Just don't judge me.
You just want to see the... You just want some action.
Yes, I do! And if I can't get it from you, I'll get it from the internet. From a video! Let's see. Party. And you said he's wearing green.
Yeah, he's wearing a green suit.
Part. Okay, so... Let's see. Oh, okay! And then there's this blonde girl.
No, don't tell me you found it.
Well, she's wearing a pink dress.
I don't remember the dress she was wearing.
Ta-la-la, ta-la-la,
anyway, he's offered like some sort of something to eat, and he grabs it, and he looks at her, he makes eye contact with her. Can you continue Maltese adventure? This is it, this is Maltese adventure. I am Maltese and I'm adventuring. This is the Maltese adventure. You see, you like it? نتكلم بالمالتي.
Oh, I think I found it.
Really, did you?
Yeah, I found a video, so I just need to find it. Okay, so I hear lots of loud, sexy sounds in the bedroom. Okay.
No,
and they're hearing it.
No, there's no sexy sounds in the bedroom already. No,
oh,
it's not
well, here, I'll send you. Oh. Is it after? Because everyone's at the party, they're looking up at the ceiling?
This is... I don't think so, no. I don't think it is. Doesn't sound like it. Time set 0. Set 0. Borat, he was with me. I have Borat in chat as well. Stop creating accounts. YouTube's gonna suspend you. Don't do that.
Okay, that must have been after. Alright. Is it the final scene?
I don't think it is. I don't think it is the final scene, no. So I'm gonna put these away.
Okay. Well, I'll watch the movie, and then... So this way I can actually say I watched the movie.
It's so funny. There are
Good song, Nikki.
There are movies that I classify as in the same classification basically when it comes to disco good, and then there's Borat, and then there's crap, I don't have enough. Yeah, I classify this with disco good. As good. As good as disco good.
Disco good. That reminds me.
Running out of shovel as well. Ah!
Listen. No, you did not tell me Love Daddy. Oh, he said a joke, yeah. Borat. Bonham just loves that new sound. Oh, I did I changed my subscriber sound, so instead of it being, you know, of Charizard, it's actually of "Oh, You Touch My Tra-La-La," that song.
Did you? Oh,
yes, I did.
That's
what you did.
No, I need to sub again.
Sub. Well, why don't you do that? Yeah. So.
Now I need to sub again.
But don't you have to wait or something?
Yeah, I need to unsub, give it a few days, and then resub.
Oh, really? Scrappy Coco? What is up with the fake account? I know it's funny and I know you're trolling, but come on. There's no point because he's just gonna end it. YouTube. Yeah. YouTube is just gonna delete the account, so there's no point of doing it. Oh, there it goes, yeah.
I remember the thing you're speaking of. It's caviar canapé. Yes! Yes, that's what it's called. Yes, let me see.
My God.
Let me see though, because I found it! I found it!
You found it! Give it!
Jack, I found it! Thank you so much! Here it comes! Here, I want to hear you laughing.
Okay. You want to hear me laughing?
I just sent it now. Oh, man. Alright, I sent it to you now. I want to watch it again as well.
Okay. We're gonna watch this. Okay, there's a grape and a bread.
You have to listen to the sound. Make sure you listen to the sound. Do you understand what he's trying to simulate?
He's like, I'll eat you this good. She's like, not to impress. It's like, I'll just blow on it.
That was good, no? That was good. That reminds me. So yeah, the it reminds me of that.
I could do it so much better. And his tongue was so moist, and that's all you heard.
Told you it's funny. Watch out, watch out. I love how they go for the water, huh?
I know, right?
What? And for the water they go. Boom. Nah, forget them over there. Don't forget them.
I will.
That was good. That was good. GG, thank you.
Thank you, person.
It's Jack. It's Jackhammer.
Oh, it's Jack. Wait, Jackhammer or what?
Yeah, Jackhammer found it.
Nice, Jackhammer. Oh my god, I gotta watch that again.
That's how I impress the girls, with my tongue.
Oh, is that so? Are you gonna blow my olive length?
Oh man.
You know what that reminds me of? White chicks, where they're like, okay, you know what, it's time, and then they pull out a dildo and they're like whacking it around. It's like, okay, first you gotta grab it like this.
I forgot.
And then you look at it.
I watched it a very long time ago.
Yeah, and they look in the eye and you gotta go, come here, little guy. Where's your good boy? That's what it reminds me of.
Oh man.
Okay, I sent it on the Discord, guys.
It's bad. It's not good for you guys to watch. It's bad.
It's very good. Take lessons from this. Oh my god.
First time you saw the movie, you were 12? No, come on, Jack. Well, actually, no. Okay, yeah, you could be 12, yeah. For a second, I assumed you were my age, but no, I think you're younger than me, so yeah, you could have been 12. Wait.
Yeah, the girl in the pink dress, and then that's when he starts to bang her. Yeah.
I think you are 12, Jack. I think you're 12 now. You watched it yesterday. I gotcha.
Dun dun dun!
Dun dun dun! So I'm gonna start mining this part now. One more level down.
Yep, no problem.
Here we go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my god. I so badly want to watch you play Mario now.
Oh, wow, you pushed me. Almost fell. Yeah, I want to play Mario one of these days, but I need to be prepared for a copyright claim, because that's what they do. Nintendo. What you do? What you do? Look what you do.
I know, there's still water.
I'm kidding. I'm gonna fix it, don't worry. I shall fix it.
Oh. I didn't... oh, what the heck?
Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do.
No. No Taylor Swift song.
I
no.
love Taylor Swift. She's my guilty pleasure.
Ugh.
I love Taylor Swift.
God.
I'm sorry I failed you. But I love Taylor Swift. I think she's very
okay,
pretty,
so you
have she's very talented.
So guilty, okay, I get it. So you have her in one hand and her, you know, the one thing in the other.
What?
Yeah.
What was you on about, Willis?
That's your guilty pleasure. You have her in your mind on one hand, and you have your thing in the other. That's your guilty pleasure, is her. Okay, if you had to choose anyone in the whole entire world to be your wife and to bang, who would it be?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
You can choose anyone. Scarlett Johansson, you know, anyone. Oh, thank God.
I don't know.
You could pick Taylor Swift.
Let me think. I don't know.
Dang, Vloggy.
I think you got me on the spot, though. I think you got me on the spot.
It could even be a friend. Like, it doesn't matter.
I don't know.
If you had to choose anyone.
I don't know. I honestly don't. I don't know.
Dang.
I just got caught off guard, though. I can't really think of it. I'm just focusing on the game right now. Sorry.
Wow.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. Sorry. I speak in Maltese accent now. Do you like it?
No.
Do you like it more when I speak Maltese accent like this? This is in Malta how they speak with this accent. It's true. I'm not joking. They speak like this. Do you like it?
I like your normal voice, like your normal accent, and then the laugh. Your laugh is adorable. It's like, Thank you, Vampy. See, Vampy understands music. No talking about Taylor Swift. Oh hell. It's just every song that I think she plays is like always about a boy or like her self problems.
Aren't all songs like that?
No, not like hers. It's like, oh, someone's talking bad about me. I'm just gonna shake it off. It's like, are you kidding me?
I don't know.
I
don't know. Maybe
I just honestly think she lost her talent.
I think maybe because I think she's very pretty. So I'm blinded by that.
Yeah. But I honestly liked it when she was like, it was just her guitar, you know what I mean, and her singing.
Yeah. Jack, I don't think I've seen the Predator. No, it's not. I don't think I haven't seen the Predator movies actually. Whoops.
Oh no, Phantom. You can even have that question for you guys. Okay, so the question is also for you guys as well. If you can choose anyone, girl or boy, who you want to bang, no strings attached. Could be famous, non-famous, anime, non-fiction, whatever the case is. Who would you choose and why?
Oh yeah, this is happening.
What's happening?
We're doing some good progress. That's what I mean.
Yes, we are. I'm actually kind of happy we did this because we get to chat and catch up and hang out.
That was the whole point. That was the whole. Ooh, did I hit
Ooh. Oh yeah, you did. Gave me a love tap.
I gave you a shovel tap.
Yes. You can shovel me any day.
Every day I'm shoveling. Get it?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh,
wait. I want to bang a kindergarten teacher. Well, don't say that to me, Fauna, because I was actually thinking about being a kindergarten teacher for art. Yeah, I might be a little teacher. We'll see. I was thinking about going in for an art teacher and getting my bachelor's degree and all that.
Did you see Jumanji too? No, I haven't seen Jumanji. No, I haven't seen it though. I haven't seen Jumanji. I heard it's really good. I don't know. Maybe it's getting overrated. I don't know.
I love these. Oh my goodness me. Like Vloggy, look how the light just hits off of these really pretty.
Yeah, I noticed. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I don't want to destroy it.
We're gonna have to. We're gonna have to. We have to sacrifice this temple and everything inside it so we can build a farm and gives us unlimited supply of all this. I promise.
I hope so.
I promise. I hope it
you
works.
Promise?
I hope it works. Because this is all
better.
I hope it works. Basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a giant tub of water. I'm gonna set time 0. I'm set 0. So yeah, and they will automatically spawn. They will fall down, and when they fall down, oh, I broke my pickaxe again. I don't feel like going up, making more.
Oh, well, you got to. You have 2 legs and a heartbeat.
What?
Oh, it's a saying that we use. So, say if someone doesn't want to, like, get up, okay, like, make their something, they're like, oh, Mom, can you make this for me, or whatever the case is? You go, you can get up, you have 2 legs and a heartbeat.
Good one.
Yes. Yes, I was actually thinking about being a high school. It depends.
Jack knows. Outside of Dragon Ball and Pokemon, Vloggy knows nothing about anime. But actually I know Lupin. Actually I know Lupin the Third. Yeah, I used to watch that. Well, behind my mom's back. I wasn't allowed to watch it because it was too vulgar. It's true.
Oh, damn.
I thought, and I agree. I think it is too vulgar. It's too much.
This is definitely gonna be hard now.
You kidding?
Yeah, we're going inside the temple now.
Nice. All right, I'm gonna make some. I'm building a furnace real quick, and I'm smelting some iron.
The smelting action.
Yes, I'm making some iron, and I'm gonna make us some more shovels and stuff. So almost there. Now the song went really mellow all of a sudden.
How big were they, Lee?
Oh.
I can't think of someone I want to bang. Well, if I had a choice... okay. It's a toss-up between 2 things. Well, 3 things. It's either Castiel from Supernatural, or it is Rin from Blue Exorcist anime, or it is... yeah, I can't think... oh, Leon from Resident Evil.
Really? Leon?
Oh, hell yes.
Okay. Okay.
But we're talking about, like, the Resident Evil Leon, or, like, Degradation and Damnation. Yeah. Yeah.
Interesting.
Like, that kind of look. Leon. Not scruffy Leon look. Well. Ooh, okay. I don't know. It's just, I've always loved... oh my god, I think this is Sponge! We found Sponge!
Sponge!
Oh my god, we found Sponge! Lots of Sponge!
Lots of Sponge! Alright, hold on, I'm making us stuff. I'm still making us tools and stuff.
Hurry up!
Actually,
stop tooling around!
No, I'm not. Hey, I'm smelting stuff. I'm schmelting. Hold on, I'm schmelting.
Well, you can play with your tools after.
Alright, 10. So I'm gonna. Let's see. Yeah, I still need more stuff. So now I made us 2 pickaxes. Actually, that's not even enough. Hold on. Alright. Second time. Make mistakes. So So these are for me, now I'm making for you. An unfortunate smelting accident. I love gold.
Where's the ball? Wait, doesn't the sponge mean like the guardian, like the big, huge?
Not necessarily. In the temples there are sponge rooms, basically. You can find rooms with sponges, and then you can find the Elder Guardian that might drop sponges as well, I think, when you kill him.
Yeah, that's all I need. Oh, what's this?
That
hey,
makes
what's
Nikki,
Lucky? Oh,
that makes Nikki the second girl I know from gaming streams that has the hots for Leon. Is the other one Sakura?
No, the other one is Fida. Fida loves Leon. As well.
Okay.
Gosh, Vloggy, get your people right. No,
I don't know Fida much.
which is bigger? Double D's or F's? Which one's bigger?
G.
Yeah, well, K is actually,
Virus.
but F's is, yeah. I mean, I have triple D's, but yeah. F's are big, like frick. And they're, oh my god!
Alright, I got our stuff. I'm coming.
Oh my god, that thing's fast.
Did you find the Elder Guardian?
I don't know. There's this one that's zipping by. He's like...
But does he look different than the other ones?
We found a room full of these little demon guys.
I'm coming.
Really?
Listen.
You should know by now. If you're gonna do a joke like this... Woo, look it inside.
Actually, I was right. Yeah, Sakura was. It was Sakura.
Sakura was? Sakura loves Leon? I didn't know that.
Looks like it. Alright, I'm coming. I'm coming, wait for me! Don't do anything without me. I mean, you can, but... Alright, so I got stuff for you. Come here. Come claim your stuff. So...
But I got a whole bunch of stuff.
That's for you. That's for you. But they're gonna wear out soon. Thank you. Thank you. I think I'm full as well now. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, let's go. Oh,
Let's
sponges!
go.
Okay. Yeah,
That's what I said, sponges.
I see the sponges now. Alright. Wow, this is gonna get complicated as well. But we're gonna do it.
Oh, gosh. I think we should work our way here for right now.
What? Hold on, let me come over there. We should work over there? Okay. Whatever you think is best. I'm gonna start from this side then.
Okay, no problem.
Actually,
I just need to get rid of some.
Actually, no. Maybe from here.
You've got nothing?
Some people have no shame, Jack, don't they? They have no shame.
Wow, what are you trying to say?
No, hey, I stumbled over your channel. I really love your content. I'm a big fan. I'm your biggest fan. I loved your videos. Some username you've never seen before. And you know where this is going next, in the same sentence.
Oh,
please sub to me, please. Sub to me, please. Like, get out of here. Get out of here.
Be gone.
Be gone. Be gone. Bye, have a great time.
Oh my god, I think I found the Guardian.
Wait, is it? Channel. Okay. Well, I mean... What's going on? What you doing? What you doing? What's going on? What's going on?
I went inside a deep dark hole and a fish came out of it. I don't want fish.
Was it like a different one? Or
I don't know. He was just standing there surrounded by other fish.
Must be the Guardian then. It's like a regular one, but it's bigger in size.
Yes, he's fat and he can't move.
Bigger in size and is a different color. It's like darker.
Girl, some part of it was darker. But I could be wrong. But yeah, I don't know.
We need to kill him.
Yeah, you're gonna get a lot of sub grabbing though from like playing Minecraft though.
Okay, okay, Freddy, thank you so much for hanging out. Bye, have a great time. Bye, have a great time. Bye, have a great time. See ya.
Bye, Freddy. Thank you for stopping by.
I want to do a 24-hour Minecraft stream one of these days. Will you be in?
Yes, I am in.
Really?
100% I am in.
Now, the thing is this. I have two options for that. 3 actually options. We could either continue this world, 24 hours working on this world, 24 hours straight, but I think it will get boring, honestly. Because this...
Yeah.
So, either that, or what we can do is
Skyblock.
start a new world and see how far we can get in just one, starting over in just a new world. But it will be just for that. It will be a temporary world. It's not something we're gonna play in again. It will be just for that 24-hour stream. You know?
Aww.
Or
if that's the case.
Or Skyblock, just like you said, Skyblock.
Skyblock, because we get the new world kind of thing, but it's just gonna be you and I. Because it's gonna be easy. It's just like playing Minecraft. When why don't we do the Skyblock? So this way we have 24 hours to make this cool island, just on the materials that we have itself.
Okay. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm up for that. I'm up for it. So,
okay.
What do you think? When should we do that? Like, you need to find 24 hours in which you are available. You are available without interruption, huh?
I'm always available.
Okay. Well, yeah. But for 24
I have no life. Plain and simple. I have no life. Hey, Jason. But yeah, just let me know. Oh my goodness me. I'm super excited for that.
The goal would be, okay, the ultimate goal for the Skyblock would be to get off the Skyblock, get to the mainland. That's it. Get to the mainland. We do that.
Oh, so they changed it? So it's not like you have to make your own land now?
Yeah, that's it. But for us, we make a personal challenge. You know, just finish, get off Skyblock basically, get to the mainland. You know, find help.
I don't mind that. Find help. Okay.
Find help in the mainland.
Oh my gosh.
It will be fun. It will be fun. And we'll do it Iron Man style. If you die, you're out. That's
yes!
it. End of the stream.
It's the end of the stream. Yeah, you and I die because it's like either you kill me and I'm just like, I'll find a way to kill you.
Yeah, we need to be careful. We need to be careful. We need to find more people into this though. We need to find more people.
Well, maybe true. Well, then again, I don't think it works. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be available for 24 hours.
I have a couple of friends that are available, but yeah, it's up to you. I mean, I don't know if they have the Minecraft game. It's up to you. I mean, hey.
We should start like why he should start like all the other channels. What? Ah, you're talking about the sub grubber. Yeah, I know, right?
Hey Bams, thank you and welcome to the family. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it.
Family, son.
Well, yeah. Oh, I was working on my soundboard, and just for you, I have it like as soon as you arrive in the chat. I have touch my tra-la-la.
How do you do that as soon as somebody arrives in the chat? What do you mean?
Yeah, it's like a soundboard like thing where you click a certain button and then, you know.
Yeah, but
I have to crop the audio and all that.
Does it know who?
No, I will have to do it. So when it's like, oh, Vloggies, welcome to the channel, and then I click the button.
I want to do a soundboard. Yeah, I want to do a soundboard.
No, that's my sound. Stop it! Get out of here!
I want to do a soundboard.
No. Oh my god. Ow! It's evil eye! Don't look at him!
Hold on. Oh, okay.
Ah! It's a fishy!
Oh, come on, man. Seriously. You're so dead, sucker. Going back into the water. Oh, crap. He got away. It's amazing. He got away. They're so good at getting away.
Got away.
They are so good at finding water and getting away. It's amazing.
Yeah, they're very smart.
They're really good. They're really smart. I think it's the smart mob. It's the era of the smart mob.
Hey, Ricky!
Let's keep going, because... Oh, come on, man.
Ow!
Look at all the spongy.
I know, that's there's like a lot of sponges.
You know how to use the sponge? Things are getting so much easier with sponges now. Actually, you know what? I should grab the... Try again. Grab the furnaces. Because with the furnaces you can dry the sponges, and then we can reuse them over and over again. And we can dry the water.
There you go. So why don't we start doing that now?
Yes, I'm gonna... Let's finish this layer, this one last layer, and we'll do it.
Here I am having laughing spasms. Oh my goodness. Let's see.
I broke my pickaxe already. You see, that's why I made 2.
Do you need a pickaxe?
No, that's fine. I have another one.
Okay. Just had to make sure.
Do you have cobblestone on you by any chance?
No,
So
I have gravel.
We only have 1 furnace, I guess. Maybe it's enough 1 furnace. We'll see.
There should be some cobblestone in the chest.
Yeah, I use it to make a furnace. By the way, Vloggy, what are you 2 building exactly? We're not building, we're destroying actually. Ah! We're destroying this temple. In this temple there's some great resources and there's these creatures. So after I'm done destroying this whole thing, I'm gonna build a farm. So they will automatically generate and then it automatically kills them and it will automatically loot them. So yeah, what we're doing first is we're taking this down. We're looting the whole place. There's some great treasure in here. But the thing is, it's too hard to get underwater. This was all underwater, but we drained the whole thing from water. Let me just get onto... Oh, there's one of these guys. He's aiming at you.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll keep him busy. You just kill him.
Yes, thorns.
Oh my god, Vloggy.
What? No, I'm not gonna do it. You see, they get away. Once you start hitting them and getting some advantage, they run away.
It's because there's holes.
Yeah.
Maybe your grunting noises turned them on and they had to run away.
So, hey Nina, welcome. Polska? No Polska, sorry. English. Sorry, but welcome. Nice to have you. If you speak English, we can chat. So, let me show Jack. I don't know if Jack's ever seen this. Maybe you have, but I'm just gonna... I love repeating myself. This was all underwater. At this level like this. And I drained the whole thing. So, yeah, I couldn't go underwater like this. This was too much. You have to hold your breath and attack underwater. Deal with these fishes to get the loot. So yeah, that's why we drained the whole thing and we're taking this whole thing down. Once it's done, I'm gonna build an aquarium, basically, that automatically spawns them, kills them, loots them, and puts them in boxes for me. That's what's gonna happen. That's how I roll, baby. Now I have some... I'm full. Just gonna leave it there for a little bit. How are you not full of items? How come that you never had to come up and put stuff in the boxes?
Sand.
What? So you're not looting anything?
Both. Yeah, I'm looting a lot, but most of my inventory is all sand. So I'm actually, as I gather the sand, I'm like filling up gaps and holes. Therefore, my inventory stays semi-decent and clean. Jeez, gosh, Vloggy.
I'm making us more pickaxes because, you know.
You sound Italian?
I sound Italian, do I? That's what they say. They say that a lot. I speak Italian. Would you like me to speak to you in
Italian? Yeah, Vloggy sounded Italian.
Want to speak to you in Italian?
Yes, yes.
Vuoi che ti parli in italiano?
Okay, be back, y'all. I'm gonna change the pants.
Nikki è svenita perché ha sentito il mio accento italiano.
I don't know what you said, but it was...
I said Nikki just fainted because she heard my Italian accent.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Nikki. Oh, you make it so easy. Alright.
Well, certain people, but now I am back. Oh God, Filthy's back.
Remember when we played RE5 for the first time and chat tried to figure out my identity based on my voice? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, by the way, speaking of RE5, I'm going to cheat on you. Jack.
Wouldn't be the first time.
I'm going to cheat on you. No, but what's gonna happen is I'm gonna play RE5 with Drew, And, you know, with me, I finished it many times, but it's still gonna be like a blind run because no, it's not a blind run, but I'm very noob at the game anyway. And yeah, I'm gonna be playing it with True. I don't know how he is at the game. All I know is that True dropped cat. There's this part in RE5, I don't know if you're familiar with, Nikki, where
I played RE5, but I'm not good at it.
One has to open the bridge, hold the bridge open while the other one crosses. Remember that?
Oh, that one, yeah.
So yeah, True was playing with a streamer, and he was holding the bridge open, and when she was crossing, for some reason he let go of the bridge and he killed her. So he's always
with
known...
the spikes when you're in the temple, well, going to... Okay, yeah.
Some sort of temple thing, yeah. Sorry,
yeah.
I iced the whole thing, sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
So yeah, I knew this. Expecting True to drop you too. Yeah, I'm expecting him to do it too as well. I'm expecting him to do it too. But, I don't know. We'll see. It's gonna be funny. I'm gonna mod the game. So it's not just Chevan and Chris. I was thinking maybe Leon and Ashley, I don't know. Maybe Leon and Ashley, I don't know. We'll see.
No.
We'll see. What? No.
No one likes Ashley.
Nobody likes Ashley, but you get to see her kick some monsters, you know, and shoot a gun. Alright, I'm gonna give you some stuff.
Oh, we actually get to see her do something?
Yes, exactly. I gave you some tools.
Hey, Vloggy.
Yeah?
Guess what?
What?
I pick you. That's the easiest thing ever, but it was good.
What?
Pickaxe, I pick you.
Oh, that's so easy.
Yes, and you're wearing no underwear.
Yeah, I took it off. I took it off now.
Yeah.
No, I am wearing underwear. It's the only thing I'm wearing. You know, for summer I will make my skin shirtless. Only for summer though.
Oh, with that, like the hairiness, and be like, I am like
no, he'd be hairless.
But no. Ah!
Chill out, dog.
You're gonna play Resident Evil tomorrow? You want me to play Resident Evil? What? Alright, definitely then. I want to play Resident Evil too.
Has the Steam sale started yet or not?
What?
You know, because last Steam sale, I think it was the Halloween Steam sale. I got RE5 for like, I don't know, €5. That was very cheap.
Yeah. Well, it's not that bad. I mean, I got it for like 7. So I mean.
Yeah, and I want to get more RE for the PC now.
Oh gosh. Well, do Resident Evil 6 so we can play together.
So that I can play with you guys. You and True.
Oh, you know it's true.
Watch out. Okay,
ow.
he's gone.
Everything I do it for the... Never mind.
Everything I do it for views.
Yeah, I was thinking about that, but it's not true because I don't do anything for views. No, that's just me.
In my case,
stupid.
And I would do anything for views, but I won't do that.
Damn it! I'll send you everything. Wait, what? See, that's what I get. I'm not paying attention and I keep getting zapped by the tractor beam.
The tractor beam. Tractor beam.
Yes. Yes. I even did the motion for tractor beam.
The tractor beam.
Yes.
Good one. All right. So
Thank
don't worry about putting sand into the water below this level that we're mining right now, because I think sponges are gonna do the trick. Actually, I should start mining some sponges.
Yeah, you should do that right now.
Let me just see if I can do this. I don't know if we're gonna pull it off, but we'll try. We'll try.
You want to see me fail? Well, you know what? Yeah, here, boy.
No. Okay, I need some help up.
How did you just do?
I need some help up. I don't know I'm gonna get up.
I'm coming, Vloggy! I'm coming! There.
I don't... Help me. Okay, nice, thank you.
Hey, attention.
I failed again, but this time.
Oh, hey, no problem, Phantom. You do that. I'll still watch him.
Vloggy, you missed by 2 previously. Yeah, he dropped it in the... I saw that. Yeah, I saw that. The QTE. The QTE. Nice, look at that. Alright, so let me try
I think the Guardian just love tapped me.
I got 4. Oh, nice. So yeah, if you put the sponges in the furnace, all right, they turn from wet sponges to dry sponges. Well, regular sponges, actually. That's so cool. All right, I want to show you what it does now. Let me take off my shoes. Where are you? Time set 0. Time set.
I'm.
Turn around. Oh, come on, game. Whatever. Okay. Now watch this. Look what a sponge does. Let me just wait for it to dissolve or whatever. 1, 2. Boom. You see that?
Yeah, and then it becomes a wet sponge.
Yeah, it becomes a wet sponge again. It becomes wet again. But still, it's good. Look at that. That's good. That's good stuff right there. So I'm gonna get a bunch of sponges. Feel free to help yourself with the sponges, and they'll help.
But Vloggy,
yeah.
You do realize that? No, I'm
look
not.
At this, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Watch. What? Come over here.
I'm coming.
Look. 1, 2. Boom. You see? One more. Boom.
Keep doing it.
You see? What? I don't think it's doing anything. I think water's coming
Yeah.
back. They're turning into source blocks again.
Yeah, it's just deforming the water. That's it.
Alright. That was very anticlimactic. So, alright. It's not working, I think.
It is, but you probably need like a lot.
Yeah. It's okay. Put them in the furnace anyway. Put them in the furnace. Since then, I call him True the Professional Dropper, just to mess with him. Alright, so put on my shoes again.
I wonder if you have some shears, that would be easier for the sponges.
I don't think it works with shears.
Who knows? What are you doing there? What?
I can't wait till we're done with this whole thing.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna take a while though.
Not as long as it took to do this, huh? But...
Oh, I think I see the Guardian right here.
Really?
I think, because he is darker and he's bigger.
Yeah, probably.
Ow! Ow! And I keep getting close, and he's like surrounded by a whole bunch of these guys. Yeah, it has to be, because they're really protecting him. Yeah, no problem, Fontaine.
9 PM here. I have another, I don't know, an hour probably.
Oh, you have to go to work soon?
Yep.
No! Are you gonna bring your laptop or what?
I don't know. Let's see.
Bring your laptop.
We shall see.
Bring your laptop. It is your destiny.
It's my destiny.
Yes. So we can actually finish this?
Yeah. It needs to be done.
Yes. Oh, I'm sorry, Vloggy.
What?
This has to wait.
What has to wait?
Hi! Okay, we're good.
My pickaxe is about to break.
Do you need a pickaxe?
I think. Oh yeah, I have spare ones.
Are you even collecting the blocks?
Yeah, I am.
Because I think you're full.
I was, but my pickaxe just broke, so now I have another slot and I'm picking them up again.
Oh, I'm picking him up behind you.
Oh, I'm full now. I'm full now, so that means time to go back up again. You have no idea. You have no idea the resources I'm gonna need to do the farm here. I'm gonna be needing like 100 fence gates. Yeah, I'm gonna need a lot basically.
Oh, I have wood. Trust me.
Yeah.
I was prepared.
And I need like, I don't know, 50 hoppers, for instance. I'm gonna need, and hoppers, you need chests to make them, so I need tons of chests. It's gonna be funny. Also, Nikki, how
I got you covered in that.
it going with those tips I gave you on RE5, says Jack.
Well, okay, I am going to say this, Jack. My Resident Evil buddy, so-called, as I thought, we don't play Resident Evil together anymore. So, yeah, so really, yeah, I have a no RE buddy now. Or, yeah, RE5 buddy.
And I think Jack only plays on PlayStation, because Jack would make a great RE buddy.
Oh my gosh. I'm okay at Resident Evil 6. I just have to work on counters. That's pretty much it. But I started to do No Mercy, so.
Wow.
Yeah. See, I'm good when I actually want to be. I tell you that for a fact. But Blocky, you definitely need to get RE6.
Oh, I have RE6 on PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4. And I did get it on PC as well. Come on, man.
Don't give me that.
Come on, man.
Oh, man.
I think that's a great idea, actually, what we're doing right now. You keep focusing on putting sand in the holes, and I'll just keep mining.
That's what I'm doing.
If you need more sand, I have tons, so in case you're out while you're putting them in.
Well, it does help, so.
I got RE5 on both PS3 and PS4. I have RE5 on PC and PS3. Actually, on PS3 I bought it twice. I bought RE5 twice on PS3.
Really?
Yeah, I bought it as a physical copy back in the day on the PS3. And then I lost the physical copy. To this day, I still have no idea where it is. No idea. And there was a sale going on. It was very cheap, and I bought it, a digital copy on PS3 as well.
Ooh! Oh my goodness me.
I am done lending games to people. I'm done. I keep missing games. I have so many games that I have no idea where they are. I have the Metal Slug collection on the Wii. I used to love that game. I have no idea where it is. I mean, I remember who I lent it to, and I told them, like, listen, I think you have my Metal Slug. They're like, no, I'm pretty sure I gave it back. I'm like, okay.
Oh, it's one of those people then?
Okay. Super Mario for the Wii. I don't know where it is. RE5 for the PS3. I don't know where that is. I am missing a Resident Evil 1 on the GameCube. I have no idea where that is. But I mean, I bought another copy for that one, so that's fine. But still, you know, it hurts. You missed my last comment. It's what I do. It's what I do best. I can get it. I can get RE5 again on PC on the next Steam sale. Oh, wow. Alright, that would be awesome if we can play it on PC. Ouch. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, like I said, that's probably the Guardian right there.
Whoa. He hit me like 3 times in a row straight away. Boom,
that's
boom, boom.
That's what I was saying. It had to be a Guardian that's down there. Because why else are they crowding together like this?
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, I'm good. It's okay.
I need to regen because he did some serious damage. Hold on.
Do you need food?
No, we're good.
Yeah, right here. I think that's him, and he's just like...
Not anymore. Well, I mean, it's gonna defrost because it's day, so...
What are you talking about, Filthy?
Yeah, I should start doing that. I should start... Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, Guardian. Oh.
Do you see him?
Ah, man, you hit them
so
once
that
and they
is
run
the
away.
Guardian?
No, it was just a regular one.
Okay. I ran out of sand, so I.
Oh, here. I have tons
Okay, I'm
for you.
coming.
Right behind you. 1 stack, 2 stack, 3 stack, 4
Give
stack,
me more.
5
Oh,
stack,
yes.
6
Yes.
stack.
Yes.
Yes. Would you like me to turn it back today so that the ice defrosts? Otherwise, at night it will stay frozen.
I don't mind because the cold never bothered me, anyways. Ah!
No, but you need to place the sand, so I think it's better if it defrosts. I think it's better if we turn it into morning for you.
Yeah.
So that would mean we start from scratch. Yes, Jack, exactly.
Oh, he's talking about the 24-hour stream?
No.
Yeah.
Start from scratch because he will get one more pickaxe, okay. He will get Resident Evil 5, so we'll start from scratch basically. No infinite ammo, no unlockables and stuff. Unless I download the save. Unless I download the save.
No, don't do that.
Don't be that guy, Vloggy.
Yeah, don't be that way. That's a bad boy.
Alright, so.
Yeah, the sand's definitely gonna take a while. Well, you definitely just like froze my pond.
Yeah, I should probably. I'm gonna take off my shoes so it's easier for you.
Well, I think the sponges was a great idea, so...
Yeah, but if there's too much water, it will automatically regen the water, so...
Yeah, that's why we have to, like, as much as possible.
We're getting attacked a lot by these guardians. It's like there's a lot of them now.
Yeah.
Thing about it, except ORC, you haven't seen me playing it without infinite ammo. Well, I want to get infinite ammo in RC. Oh, have you guys seen the DLC of RE5? Have you guys seen it?
Which one?
Oh, well, there's not a hero, and there's ouch, I fell. There's not a hero, and then there's End of Zoe, which is really not the end of Zoe, apparently. I have to put the shoes back.
No.
It's good. I liked it. I liked the story. I didn't like the gameplay. It was ridiculous. Punching the molded. Like, game, are you trying to scare me, or are you just trying to make it ridiculous now? Because
I think maybe it's just another way to get money. I don't know. It just seems like to me a lot of DLCs are just going downhill.
The DLC made me worry because I was happy that Resident Evil 7 went back to the roots of horror. And now it made me worry, like, it went back to action again in the DLC. How long is this gonna last? RE7 makes me doubt, RE8, it makes me doubt if RE8 is gonna be like that again.
You know what? I'm gonna say this, Resident Evil 7 is not a Resident Evil 7, or a Resident Evil game.
Don't say that.
No, I'm sorry, Vloggy. I'm sorry, I know you love it.
What does it make it Resident Evil game?
Okay, you honestly want me to? It's just like, mostly to me, no zombies, just like parasites. That's what it looks like. And then it's like, okay, so when you really think about it, the mansion, right? You know how they're testing out like the T-virus and all that stuff, correct?
Mm-hmm. Hello, Oot, welcome, and Dada, welcome. Sorry, go ahead.
No, it's okay, I understand. It was just like that. So to me, I just thought that Resident Evil 7 is just going back to Resident Evil 1, and then Resident Evil 8 is probably going to be like Raccoon City.
Yeah?
They're just going to switch it up a little bit. And I hope that it gets back into zombies, because that's the main reason why I fell in love with Resident Evil.
No, BOWs doesn't necessarily mean it's zombies, no.
I want zombies. I don't want parasites. I don't want BOWs. I don't want any of that. Well, BOWs, okay, it's fine. But just the whole entire game of just learning about like parasites and all that stuff, like, I don't care. Stop.
No. The BOW doesn't make Resident Evil. BOWs make Resident
Evil. I know.
And the horror makes Resident Evil. If it's horror.
Horror, yes. I love the artwork in Resident Evil. There's hardly any artwork. The Resident Evil 7, okay, I was looking at the art compared to the originals, right? Because I do have an original RE2 art book. And I'm looking at it. you can definitely tell that there's no inspiration, no... It just felt like they slapped it all together, to me, personally. And it just... It's hard to explain. I don't think that they took the time, you know, took pride in their work. And it just felt all the same. Pretty much. Now, if we had to talk about good games like creativity, monsters, and all that stuff, Evil Within 2. Don't get me started. That was really nice.
Okay, Dada, thank you so much for hanging out. For stopping by, really. Sorry, Nikki. Sorry. Because he was leaving.
Why are you sorry?
I hate cutting people off, but he was leaving. I have to make sure that he gets my goodbye.
Vloggy, you know I cut you off a lot, right?
I don't know. Anyway, my point is, I think what makes Resident Evil game is horror. Horror.
Yeah, I agree with you on that.
Hesitating around corners. Alright, having seven bullets in your gun, not knowing if that's gonna be enough for your next encounter. To me, that's Resident Evil. But
yeah, and monsters, artwork, all that. Yes, I agree with you. And to me, Resident Evil 7, it just didn't make me feel that thrilled. It just didn't.
No.
We all have our like opinions, but it's just to me, I just think that they shouldn't even make that abomination. I want to, but I've seen so much gameplay.
Haven't. You're criticizing the game, but you still haven't.
It's because I don't want to, because I've seen it.
So you're being, what's the word?
No, I'm gonna buy the game when it goes on sale.
So you're not open-minded. You don't want to try a game. You just want to say it sucks
before
you try it.
No, I'm very open-minded. I'm going to try it. It's just I'm not paying freaking over $30-something for that game that I think it's like worthless of a game.
It's worthless.
Oh, I know so.
No, you don't know so. I haven't tried it yet.
Vloggy, trust me. I wish you would know what's going on in my brain, but it's just how it is.
You can't judge a movie or a game if you haven't seen it.
Yes. Like, I thought, okay, Resident Evil 6, for example, I still don't like it. I'll play it, but no. Resident Evil 4, I did not like, and then when I played it, it was okay, but I still don't like it at all. That's how I am. So, I'm very freaking open-minded. It's just, I'm disappointed on how... No, I'm just disappointed how Capcom made Resident Evil. To me, it felt rushed, and then they're like, we're expected to get this much amount of money, and then they're upset. It's like, bruh, you serious? I wonder what.
I loved RE7. I think RE7 was worthy.
But that's you, though. That's you, though.
Many people loved it, if you watch the reviews. Many people loved it.
Yeah, some people liked it, some people didn't like it. I seen the dislikes on the review. So.
You get dislikes on everything.
No, there's on Steam. It's like neutral.
Is it
meaning
neutral?
that yeah, there's a lot of dislikes and likes. It's like the same practice. It's neutral. Hey, nobody! Shut up, nobody! How open-minded are you? 4-some, 3-some.
Hold on, let me just. I don't want to open Steam now.
Yeah, open it.
No, I'm not gonna open it now. I have OBS running and I have...
Do you want me to? And send it to you?
No, it's fine. I believe you.
Nah. Yeah, it's just... Yeah, I know you don't believe me. Seeing is believing with you, so it's like...
I believe you. I believe you. I don't even have to check. Store.steampower.com.
Yeah, it's just like when the game first came out, there were like a lot of dislikes, likes, dislikes. It became neutral. That's pretty much what it is.
It's overwhelmingly positive. It's not neutral. It's overwhelmingly positive.
You sure? Because last time I checked it, it was neutral. Hang on.
I send you a screenshot right away.
Send me a screenshot.
Copy. Oh, I didn't save. Copy. Paste.
And now make sure you scroll down the comments and see a lot of dislikes too.
Of course you're gonna see dislikes. I'm just saying. Overwhelmingly
positive when it comes to... people giving their opinion.
Yes, but there's always gonna be people hating on.
But then again, too, is that it was just a game, so yeah. But look at overwhelmingly positive 700. Okay, very positive. Now where's the dislikes on this, Vloggy?
Of course there's gonna be dislikes. What do you mean? Are you kidding me? Of course there's gonna be dislikes.
No, what I'm saying is the likes to the positives. Where's the numbers on that? You didn't show it.
What?
You just showed the very overwhelming positives, and then you showed very positives.
Yes, that's the overall. That's the overall. Overall, it's overall.
Compare that. Compare that. That's what I'm saying.
Compare that to what?
Never mind. And then also check out the ratings in games too. And you wonder why it didn't win that much award. Because it's crap! It's crap!
It did win awards actually.
Some awards, that's what I said, but not a lot compared to most Resident.
It won some awards, but not a lot. I won an Oscar, but not a lot.
Oh, you won an Oscar? Seriously?
Yeah,
oh my god!
It's like saying, it's like you get Leonardo DiCaprio saying, I won an Oscar, yeah, but not a lot.
No.
I won a Nobel Prize, yeah, but not a lot. I won a Nobel Prize, yeah, not a lot.
No, Leonardo should have more than like freaking 5 or 10 Oscars for a lot of his stuff, so, especially on Wall Street. Oh my gosh.
My point is, I won a Nobel Prize, yeah, but only one. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, only one. That's basically it. Like he only won like what, 1 Oscar?
Oh, come on.
That's what it was like, and then the rest was all crap apparently.
I don't want you to be my motivational speaker.
Oh god, this is why
Nikki, I digged up some more on OGSE. What is OGSE? Makes the game more realistic and spawns a lot more uncommon enemies. What is OGSE? Don't confuse me, Jack. What is OGSE? Alright, so now what we're gonna do.
Okay, I ran out of sand, but that's okay.
Do I have some more? Hold on. Ugh, just 11 blocks of sand. So what we're gonna do is we need to start mining from here, perhaps.
I hear a witch.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it to morning. Witches always remind me of True.
Of True? What? Oh, yeah. Magic Man!
Magic Man. I know, right?
Oh my god, look at the Magic Man! Oh my god, blood diamonds! What? Blood diamonds!
I'm gonna have to go back up again. I keep going up.
It's called redstone. No, it's called blood diamond. Oh, I miss playing with True so much.
True is busy.
Seriously?
True is a busy boy.
I mean, last time I caught one of his streams when he was like streaming Sims, and then
that was so funny.
Yeah, I couldn't stay long.
I don't love The Sims. I'm not really into the game, but I love watching the stream.
Yeah, and then I saw like funny. Sakura freaking. Now, was Sakura kissing you or was she kissing True?
I don't know, but I went old all of a sudden.
Oh, so it was you? Okay, yeah, you went
old.
What is that?
I was walking around with my pecs and my biceps, walking around feeling proud and without pants, and all of a sudden I'm an old man. I'm an old man. I'm old.
Yeah. Pants, all right. What the heck is going on? My friend keeps like popping up with like so many games. It's like Killing Floor 2, Hitman, Killing Floor 2, Hitman. What the hell?
Ouch.
Okay, I'll shush.
What?
Oh, I thought you were shushing me.
No, I said ouch.
Oh, I thought you shushed me.
What? Shush,
no.
Shush. No.
No, OBS has been acting up lately.
What I'm gonna do? I'm going to do this. This, and I'm gonna place the. Where am I gonna put the furnace? I need to find a place for the furnace. Because every single time I'm gonna place the furnace down, we're gonna mine one level down. We have to replace it again. I guess I'll just put it a few blocks down. Put it here. Admit it, you like Sims because he turned into a ladies' man. No, as if. No, we don't really care about that.
Yes. Yes, you so do.
No, as if.
See, Jack agrees. You like it because you get to flirt with a lot of women.
Go away, Jack. Why do I need to be happy about the Sims character? My Sims character. I'd be happy. I'd be happy in my real life. I'm a ladies man in real life. I'm kidding. I joke, I kid. Oh no! Oh man!
You okay?
It's a big boo boo, yes. Kind of a big boo boo. I was drying areas with the sponge. Ah! Up. I'm up.
See, if we can cut off some of these like areas, and then just grab the sponges and kind of like make a 4x4 area.
Look at what I'm doing. It's working. Huh? Look at what I'm doing. Look how much.
Yeah,
I'm drying.
it's because I cut it off too. But if I can get underneath and cut that off, we should be fine. So here, give me a second.
Try some here.
Dang it. Okay. So I'm just gonna do this so this way the water doesn't seep, and I'll collect the sponges. So we keep doing that.
Yeah, that's what we need to do.
Oh shit.
I'm closer.
Ah!
Whoa! That must have been the other guardian. Whoa. The beam was like orangeo.
Thank you.
Better now, but still, now I have wet sponges, and I need to find a way up.
Oh yeah, I'm doing that right now. Oh shit!
Hold on, I think... Can I do this? Can I do this?
Pardon my
I
language.
can't do this.
Okay, first I need to do this. Okay. Here you go, vlog.
I made some stairs. Oh.
Yep.
Ah, we made it. Oh, yeah, baby.
So yes, now we know.
I got 3 back. Oh, I got 4.
I have like 3. Just want to collect.
And the dry out.
I hear the witch like really close by, don't you?
Yeah, I hear a witch as well. But remember, there's a ravine underneath, so it could be...
Yeah, that's why we do it each time. So we close it off and keep doing one section at a time.
Oh wow, so many guardians here.
What did you do?
Oh, okay, we made it safe.
Come on, come
Put these
on,
in the
come on.
furnace.
Yep. I just need to get this one. Boom, done. Okay.
But yeah, it's drying the areas really fast, so this is good.
Yay! My plans work!
What?
My plans work?
Coming up. Okay. Whatever you
Yeah,
have,
let me grab all.
whichever sponges you have, yeah, put them in the furnace. And
Yep, I'm just grabbing a lot of the sponges.
Clean some dry ones. Cute.
Okay. I got 10 sponges.
Nice. I do a few more. Actually, just 1. Okay.
Boom.
I'm just grabbing these back as well. Have to jump back in. Ugh.
Oh god.
Yeah, I see him. And they scream at us. They're screaming at us. Okay.
Is that a bad thing?
I don't know. They make a noise. It's scary. It's scary.
They making a noise.
It's a scary noise. Alright, I'm gonna claim these 7. I have 3 left, so I'm gonna go play some more. Let's dry this place. Alright, watch this. Come over here. Watch this area. I'm gonna dry the whole thing. I hope. Boom. 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 Come on, come on. Ugh. Come on. Oh. No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Okay. Let him focus on me. Does that help?
I don't know.
Well, they stopped chasing you, right?
Okay. Why did you close me off?
I'm protecting you.
No, it's okay. No more need for protection, actually. No more need for protection.
You're gonna ice it, aren't you? Oh.
Am I gonna what?
I thought you were gonna, like, ice the whole thing.
No. Something better.
Where did they go?
Exactly.
You put on peaceful.
Yes. I had to.
You put on peaceful vlogging.
I had to temporarily, just so I can get out of here. I thought I was gonna dry the whole place up, but I didn't. I was gonna dry the whole place up, but it didn't work. So there's that.
It's okay. I'll grab the sponges.
I got some more. I thought you grabbed the others. There's a lot more here. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, boom.
Jammer, thank you for subscribing.
Oh, it's all gone. What do you think? Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. See?
Nice. Let's go put them back in the oven or furnace or whatever.
And then you gotta turn it back, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've got 5 more.
Gotta play this legitly.
Oh, you wanna turn it back now? Yeah, you can turn it back now.
Yep.
Difficulty back to... Ugh.
Hi, Jammer. See you later, Nikki. What the heck? Nikki could recommend me a movie. Brett forgot to recommend me a movie. What kind of movie? Oh, Davey S. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. I wasn't paying attention. Nikki, here I am for you now. What? How are you? I wasn't even paying attention to my chat. Dear gosh. I feel bad now. I know. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. Well, it depends, Davey. If you're still here, what kind of movies do you like? Oh, I have 18 sponges.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some mine in the furnace as well. I have a bunch.
There we go.
Alright. Let's dry another area. What about this area here?
Yeah, this area?
Okay, hold on. Just one sponge. Nice. I like this.
Yeah, it's easy. But did you put it back on,
Yes, it is now. It is back.
Okay. I see it. Okay, so we should do this area and then this area. Ooh, this area for sure right here.
Now, which area do you want to go next? This area? Let's dry this area. I have 4 sponges. Let's see if it's going to be enough. 1.
No, it probably won't.
2.
Because it's underneath. So I gotta close up this area. There you go.
That's good. Grab some
Welcome back,
sponges yourself.
Bonham!
Go get some sponges as well.
Oh, so I get to help?
Of course. I'm like,
Yay!
why are you not helping?
Oh, because I'm like, do you want to do it or me?
No, come on. I'm like, why isn't she grabbing some?
Woohoo!
Let's see, I want to see you do it now. Oh, do it where there's the guardian over here. Over here there's a... Oh, it's gone now. Okay, whatever. Do whatever you want. There is a guardian here, actually, yes. Oh, he's aiming on you. Careful. Oh, now he's aiming on me. Come on. Do it now! Nice. You placed way too many, though. You're wasting sponges.
Eat me.
No, I'm just saying. Just giving you tips. Nom 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 nom.
Oh yeah.
Well, you
Yes!
said eat you.
Again! Again!
You said eat you.
There you go. I did it!
GG.
I did something useful.
I'm coming. Now it's my turn. Oh, there's a
That's
guardian.
my
I want to
turn.
try where there's a guardian. Like, right where there's a guardian. How about here? Boom. Help me! I'm gonna drown or something. Oh no! Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. Gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast.
I'm gonna grab some more sponges. That wasn't near enough.
Let's see. So I'm trying to find like the cutoff area of where it is. Alright. Put the sponges back in.
Crap.
Put this over. Ooh.
Okay.
Dang.
Okay, rip. Oh, I need to eat. I lost 2 sponges. I lost 2 sponges.
Why? What do you mean you lost 2 sponges?
I broke them and they sunk into the bottom and I couldn't get to them.
Where is the water coming from?
From everywhere. It's everywhere.
There we go. We got this though.
I just realized something. Now that the whole
What?
place is drying up, keep in mind that regular monsters might start spawning as well, huh?
Yeah. So we should have brought... Well, I brought torches. Oh wait, no I didn't. Ow.
Now put some more into the furnace.
I actually like how this looks.
What?
This whole area. Oh look kids! Zombies are spawning!
Yeah, careful. No.
Oh my god. Oh shoot.
Oh. Ah ha ha ha! Look who's laughing now, huh? Who's laughing now? Where's the water gone, huh? Where's the water gone? And there's nothing to do.
Oh my god! Ow. I'm getting raped here. Oh my god. Ow.
Ripperoni pepperoni.
Yeah, ripperoni, pretty much. Are you kidding me? There we go. What are you doing? Where the heck are you? Oh. Oh, you ran away. I'm like, where are you? So I'm looking down at the bottom and I'm trying to find you.
I managed to get out. Alright, I got 5 more. Now, how do I do this? oh.
Oh god!
Whew. Wow.
Ah! Lucky!
Hold on, I need to regen.
Lucky!
I need to regen, hold on, what?
Ah!
You want me to peaceful it?
What?
You want me to peaceful it?
Yes! Oh, I'm fine.
Now you understand my distress, huh?
I'm fine.
Of course you're fine now. They're gone. Of course you're fine now.
I'm fine! Oh wait! That's not
peaceful. Of course you're fine. You don't need to tell me you're fine now. I did it fine.
Thank you!
I made it fine.
I appreciate it. Oh my goodness me.
What did I just hear? What's that music? Oh no, I think it's just my music. It was like a voice. A British voice.
It's a British voice. Nish. I should actually start making coffee right now. Ugh. Okay, I'm dropping the sponges. Oh, you're not here.
I'm trying to retrieve some from the bottom because I dried a lot of areas, but they're at the bottom. I'm trying to get them.
Yeah, I'm trying to help with that.
Because I lost a lot.
Yeah, that's all we need is to like move all of our sponges.
Alright, I managed to retrieve 10. Alright, I got 12. I'm gonna put them back in the furnace to dry them up. Wow.
Keep playing. I'll get you coffee. Ah, okay. Thank you, Phantom. He completes me. Phantom completes me. Oh, shoot. Okay, I get.
Alright. I'm retrieving more sponges.
That's what. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now too. I'm gonna get up his stuff. Okay, I have to get more over here. Yes, I need coffee.
You know, if you want to make coffee, I'll wait for you.
Yeah, I was thinking about it. I was like, but should I? The question is, do you want coffee? I'll make you some coffee.
You do, because you've been complaining that you want. So
I can't help it!
So I think you do need coffee. Alright, 15.
Thank you.
15 right now. I need to be careful. Alright, I cleaned 8 sponges back.
Oh, I have 12.
Let's dry this place up. We're doing some good progress actually here.
I know. So it's like, okay. And then we can turn it on legit after.
It's already legit actually.
Oh. We're still on peaceful or no?
It's legit.
Dang. Okay, I can hear them. So. I wonder where all the treasure is gonna be.
The treasure is mostly the sponges, huh?
What?
Yes.
What? Yeah, I'm gonna get coffee now. Treasure sponges.
The blocks, the amazing blocks. is the treasure. Actually, there's some of them actually generate with a treasure room, so we might find some loot, but don't expect anything extraordinary or anything like that. I think Nikki took off. Oh wow, I'm gonna drown. Oh.
Thank you.
We have your coffee now?
Yes, I do.
What kind of coffee is it? What coffee do you make? Like,
It's Tim Hortons, and my mom got me dark roast.
It doesn't get any Canadian than that.
Yep. A.
I know, right? A. Alright.
But technically, us Canadians, we really don't say A as much. It's mostly like to get someone's attention.
I know.
If anything, we just basically say sorry a lot. Like, for no dang reason. I'm sorry!
And you say a boot.
Yeah.
A boot. What are you talking about?
Well, I say, what are you talking about?
I know.
Boy, answer me!
It's just a joke. It's just a joke.
I know.
It's funny. It's funny. I find it funny. I love how much, and How I Met Your Mother, how much he mocks her about her being Canadian. Have you ever watched it?
Yep. Yeah, I love freaking Barney! Well, who doesn't actually?
I liked,
But I liked,
Ted.
Yes, Ted, thank you. I was trying to think. But Barney I liked because of the funny jokes, dirty comments, you know?
Yeah, I think it was too much. I think it was a bit too much, though, in my opinion.
Yeah, it was too much, but some of them were, like, freaking priceless.
Oh, man. Remember the playbook?
Yes.
The playbook.
And then how he... Oh my god, and how he made the ultimate play, oh my goodness.
You okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. Oh yeah, I did it.
Here we go.
Where the heck are you?
Just placing random sponges everywhere. Yeah, baby!
Oh.
Oh, look who's out of water now, huh? Oh, you need help. You look like you could use some help. Oh, look at them taking off and they go back to the water, finding water. Ah, you're back for more? Huh? Huh? Oh man, I need to clean these back. And then we'll get some more dry ones. Careful now, careful now. Oh, look who's trapped. It's amazing. They are so good.
He's trying to like duck for water.
Away. They're so good at running away.
Yeah, but it's also a good thing too.
I'm running out of food, huh?
Oh, it's okay. I got some food.
Let me go up. Ouch. Alright.
You okay?
One more sponge over here. Got 7 over here. I love that you get XP from drying sponges. So
you get XP for oh my god, what the heck? He's like a ninja!
Whoa, look at this guy. What you doing outside?
The one that's like flying everywhere?
I'm gonna try to claim these sponges so I can go dry them. Crap, they're falling into the water. Help me! Oh no!
I'm like nowhere near you.
No. When I say help me, I'm not really asking for help. I'm just saying that I'm in trouble, that's all. Oh man. I have a tendency of saying help me.
Oh.
But I don't really mean it. I'm not really asking for help. Oh, no! Oh! No! I switched it to peaceful exactly the moment I hit enter, I died.
Hurry up and get your stuff.
I'm coming back. I was level 15.
Grab your stuff.
Yeah, it was time to die. Level 15. No, what you doing, Vloggy?
Oh my god. Oh god. Grab your XP.
That's okay. I don't
Why
care
is it
about the
floating?
XP.
Oh, don't tell me I got it.
Probably. Well, you deserve it. You survived, I didn't, so...
Yeah, for me just... Oh, your pickaxe.
Yeah, I see it. I'm trying to walk towards it, but...
No, oh yeah, I have your helmet. So I'll go up there.
As long as I have my boots, it's the most important thing, really. Alright, so I need to find a way back up to dry these
Alright, making one.
Because we need to dry this water.
There we go. Back up.
Back up as well.
Alright, do you have your boots?
I do have my boots, yeah, I do have my boots, but I just want my...
Okay.
I just want to grab some more sponges because... they keep
Okay,
falling!
this is mine now.
They keep falling! I'm gonna go get them. I don't care.
Okay, I'll try to like see if I can get some sponges and you pick them up.
Ah, man, the freaking current is pushing me everywhere. I cannot do it. I cannot do it. At least I'm up to 5 sponges now. Oh, come on, I placed another one.
There we go.
Go grab some more dry ones. If you can.
Do you need some dry ones?
Yeah, there's a ton of water here.
Okay. By ding ding dong. Oh, you touch my tra la la. Oh, that gets me in the mood.
Way back up. Right, there's a sponge here I can pull.
Okay, I got 2 sponges.
Only 2? Wow.
Yeah.
Where's the
That's
rest?
why I was collecting them.
Wow.
I had 7, that's why I'm collecting them now.
Yeah,
Here.
even me. I currently have 12. 13. Ah, man, this guy doesn't let me mine. Eee! Come on.
What the heck was that?
I'm trying to mine this block and it keeps pushing me to the water. Ah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this.
No, no, using coding.
I did it.
You're thinking about it.
I have 15 sponges now. 15? This is also a sponge. Oh, I'm gonna start dying. Out.
Vanilla, please don't sub-grub. Boy!
Boy! Dude! Very rude, dude. See, a little rhyme for you. I'm gonna go place these in the furnace.
Let's see, Anthony. Oh, thank you, Anthony, for subscribing.
I placed 16 sponges in the furnace.
You did? Okay, well, let me grab some more sponges. So I've been trying to do that. How can you forget about these sponges over here? Okay, I got them.
Hold on. Well, that's it. Wow.
What?
Sponges are key to do this whole mission.
Yes, I agree. Did you just knock over your Yeti?
Yeah, you heard it. I just hit it. I hit it with my chin.
Oh, are you okay? Backed myself.
Yeah. Nice. Alright, we got 3 more. Oh. The water's almost done.
There we go. Yeah.
Are we still not peaceful? That's cheap.
I think so. Yeah. Tisk tisk. Bad boy. Get these sponges over here. That's actually pretty nice. I'm glad that we chose to do the water temple, guardian water temple.
Adventure, eh?
Yeah, and it definitely keeps your mind going. So it's a good thing that we have sponges. Because now, if we wanted to flood the woodland mansion, we can just use sponges too.
The woodland mansion.
Yeah.
Not underwater though.
No, but if we wanted to flood the area, right, we could.
Why would we flood it though?
To kill the guys? Because we don't know, right?
I don't think it works like that though.
Who knows, right? Experiment!
Okay, I got 8 more. 8 more dry ones on my way. I think it's gonna be the final blow.
It's the final countdown.
It's the final blow. Alright, that one's gone.
Oh yeah. You're definitely like, oh yes, we could do this. Ow! What the hell was that? I think I did. Alright. I wish that the stuff like, I wish there was like some sort of treasure, you know? But maybe that's just me.
Hold on, because this is not working out.
That'd be cool if there was like a golden fish.
A golden fish? No.
Yeah, so you can spawn the guardian if you really wanted to.
There's a lot more to go here. I thought we were done.
No, I hear them, so I think...
Help me! Okay, good. I panic.
I think there's some more down here, because remember... Oh, yeah, there is. Yep. We still gotta do deep. Dig deep. Do deep. We gotta do the deep.
Alright.
Oh, yeah. Just when I thought we were finished.
Do you have any sponges on you? Are we done? Wow.
Yes, I have 11 sponges.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the coal though. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna
Oh,
get
I
anything.
can go get the coal.
I'm not gonna get anything. I'm gonna have to call. That's it. GG for me. It's time for me to start getting ready for work. Oh
No!
I'm gonna go where there's nothing. Oh,
What?
there's one of these I want to kill. Hold on, before I. Where's my sword? Oh, there it is. Yes. This is not my sword. He's not getting fire. I think you gave me the wrong sword. Oh no! Oh no! I'm out of food. You have my sword?
No, I don't have your sword.
Is this not enchanted? Hold on.
Do you want me to take a screenshot of everything?
No. I believe you. That's fine. No,
I'm hoping that you have your sword.
No, I got it.
Okay.
Because I hit it like 3 times and it didn't catch fire. Now it did though. Okay, good.
Oh.
Good.
So we're gonna call it here, I'm guessing?
Yes, I'm gonna have to call it. I mean, you can keep playing, but I'm gonna have to call it. Don't call it because of me though. Just because I left doesn't mean you have to end your stream. But we should totally work. We should totally work on doing it. Thank you for subscribing. Watch tasks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. You missed 9 and 10. Thank you for subscribing. But it's true. Like, this is like your username. I just saw you and I criticized you. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go. Because I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up and away. I'm gonna put some stuff into the box. So with all the stuff that I gathered, prismarine shard. Let me see if I can craft one myself. Hold on. One of these blocks that lights up. Actually, these are shards. I need crystals. No, I need crystals. Okay, I have no idea what you said, watched us, but welcome to the stream. English only, sorry.
Hello. Hello,
Stuff in the box. I'm gonna put stuff in the box. Wow, look at the mess we made out of this, out of the temple. Wow, it looks really good. It looks really destroyed.
That looks like a mine. Oh my god, I actually have to take a picture of this.
Yeah, we're destroying this thing. Looks really good. Anyway. Alright. I'm gonna put stuff in the box. Look at all the stuff we put in the box. Do you have any prismarine crystals? We didn't get it much. Oh, hold on.
No. I don't touch the glass or anything. I just have the cool blocks that I like.
Yeah, but some no, the prismarine crystals are not the glass. The glass is actually sea lantern, it's called.
No, I just have the bricks.
They're like little crystals. Anyway, whatever. Because those help craft more of those, but whatever. We have 28 though, the sea lanterns that light up. We're gonna get so many more, don't worry. I'm gonna have to call it. Thanks to everyone that hung out, thanks to everyone that subscribed. Thank you, Nikki, for playing with me. It's always a pleasure.
Yay.
I look forward to play more with you. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows?
Oh.
Who knows? We can play some more, and I shall see you next time. Bye, have a great time. Ciao.